हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक अगेन टू प्रॉक्सी ज्ञान। मैं आपका एजुकेटर सैयद शाहबाज फिर से स्वागत करता हूं हमारे प्रॉक्सी ज्ञान यूट्यूब चैनल पे। जैसा कि आप सभी लोग जानते हैं दोस्तों, हम लोग कई सारे बुक्स को कवर करते आ रहे हैं विच इज़ रिलेटेड टू करंट अफेयर्स। सो वी हैव कवर्ड टिल नाउ स्पीडी करंट अफेयर्स, खान सर बुक, आरआरबी के हमने कवर किया है। नाउ द टुडेज बुक वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस इज अबाउट एडिटोरिया करंट अफेयर्स दोस्तों। ओके, so it will cover entire year of 2021 but there are few months are missing here. so यहाँ इस किताब में आपको जो है अक्टूबर 2021 तक दिए गए हैं दोस्तों, यानी it will cover till January to October 2021. so this is the latest edition and there are 2 months are missing, नवंबर एंड दिसंबर। ये मत कहना कि सर आपने लास्ट के 2 मंथ्स कवर नहीं किए हैं, बट ये बुक जो है इसी तरह पब्लिश होके आई है। एंड अगर कोई लेटेस्ट एडिशन आता है जहाँ पे नवंबर दिसंबर का भी इंक्लूड हो तो वो भी मैं आपको उसमें पढ़ा दूंगा दोस्तों। ओके, नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में मैं आपको बता दूंगा। वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट बुक, वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस ऑल द इंपॉर्टेंट इवेंट्स इन द फ्रॉम एडिटोरिया करंट अफेयर्स। ओके, एंड इसमें आपको वन लाइनर भी होगा, MCQs होगा। ओके, इसमें प्रैक्टिस सेट भी दिए गए हैं दोस्तों, वो भी हम डिस्कस करेंगे, और कंप्लीट मैगजीन को भी हम डिस्कस करने वाले हैं। ओके, जिसको सिर्फ वन लाइनर देखना है वो देख सकते हैं, जिसको सिर्फ MCQs पढ़ना है वो आपको सेपरेट वीडियो मिल जाएगा, एंड कंप्लीट मैराथन वीडियो भी मैं आपको बना के अपलोड कर दूंगा। ओके, सो दिस मैगजीन इज़ वेरी यूजफुल फॉर मेनी कॉम्पिटेटिव एग्जाम्स, जैसे कि आप स्क्रीन पे देख पा रहे हैं, लाइक BPSC, UPPSC, CDPO, बिहार, बिहार SI, NTPC, बैंक, कई सारे एग्जाम्स हैं। ओके, सो आई विल डिस्कस वन बाय वन, द कंप्लीट मैगजीन विल बी कवर। टोटल 160 पेजेस की रहेगी ये मैगजीन है। ओके, तो सारे वीडियोस आप अच्छे से देखिएगा, एंड थैंक यू सो मच फॉर योर लव एंड सपोर्ट। ओके, मैं और हमारे प्रॉक्सी ज्ञान की टीम से तहे दिल से मैं आपका धन्यवाद करना चाहता हूं दोस्तों, कि आपने हमको इतना सपोर्ट किया, इतना प्यार दिखाया। रिसेंटली हमने एक पोल भी किया था हमारे चैनल पे, आपने देखा होगा, राइट? तो कई सारे बुक्स हमने डिस्कस किए। चिंता ना करें, जो भी आप वहाँ पे पोलिंग हुई थी सारे बुक्स मैं कवर करने वाला हूँ। एंड नेक्स्ट हमारा जो है परीक्षा मंथन है, एंड वी विल आल्सो कवर GK घटना चक्रा के जो करंट अफेयर्स, उसको भी हम कवर करने वाले हैं। डोंट वरी, वन बाय वन मैं सारे बुक्स आपको पढ़ाऊंगा दोस्तों। ओके, बिकॉज मुझे भी टाइम लगता है रिकॉर्ड करने के लिए, तो थोड़ा आपको गैप मिल रहा होगा, बट एनी वेज आई एम ट्राइंग माई 100% कि डे टू डे आपको वीडियोस मिले, एंड डे टू डे जल्द से जल्द हम इस किताब को कंप्लीट कर सके, ताकि आपके एग्जाम से पहले पहले आप रिविज़न भी कर लिया जाए। ओके, तो टुडेज़ बुक वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस अबाउट एडिटोरिया। ओके, तो आज हम जो है पहले वन लाइनर से स्टार्ट करते हैं दोस्तों। क्लियर? जो भी इंपॉर्टेंट वन लाइनर्स है फ्रॉम द मंथ ऑफ अक्टूबर से स्टार्ट करेंगे। ओके, वी विल गो टिल जनवरी 2021। एंड वंस अगेन आई विल रिपीट दिस कि इसमें दिसंबर और नवंबर मिसिंग है, बिकॉज द मैगजीन हैज़ कम विद दिस एडिशन। इफ़ यू वांट टू कवर द एंटायर ईयर, अगर आप जनवरी से लेकर दिसंबर तक पढ़ना चाहते हैं, तो ऑलरेडी हमारे चैनल पे स्पीडी करंट अफेयर्स की किताब भी अपलोडेड है इन इंग्लिश वर्जन। ओके, यू कैन गो थ्रू इट, एंड दिस इज़ अ एक्स्ट्रा इन्फॉर्मेशन फॉर यू विच इज़ हेल्पफुल इन द एग्जामिनेशन। तो इसीलिए ये भी अच्छी मैगजीन है दोस्तों, कई सारे बच्चे इसको प्रीफर करते हैं, एंड ये आपको ज़्यादातर हिंदी में रहती है मैगजीन। ओके, बट कई सारे बच्चे होते हैं जो दे कांट एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड द हिंदी लिपि एंड हिंदी लैंग्वेज, सो फॉर दैट वी आर ब्रिंगिंग अप द इंग्लिश वर्जन, and in this English version till October 2021 has been covered. But don't worry, if any new book has been published, if they covered November and December also, I will cover that one also. Okay, it's my responsibility, मेरा काम है कि मैं आपको पूरे करंट अफेयर्स कराऊंगा। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं बिना किसी देरी के। एंड वन मोर थिंग, प्लीज़ लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब टू अवर यूट्यूब चैनल। इसी तरह जो है हमको सपोर्ट करते रहिएगा, और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करते रहिएगा, और हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। तो लेट्स स्टार्ट। राइट, सो विल गोइंग इन द रिवर्स ऑर्डर। अक्टूबर 2021 से हम जनवरी तक जाएंगे। सो फर्स्ट इंपॉर्टेंट इज प्राइम मिनिस्टर नरेंद्र मोदी chaired 38th प्रगति मीटिंग ऑन 5th October 2021. A total of 8 projects were renewed in this meeting, which cost around 50,000 crore. The world largest national flag made of khadi was hoisted in Leh Ladakh on 2nd October. ओके, ऑन 152nd बर्थ एनिवर्सरी ऑफ महात्मा गांधी। और इसकी लेंस वर्थ क्या है इसकी, 225 फीट लॉन्ग है और 150 फीट वाइड है दोस्तों। इंडियाज़ फर्स्ट स्पोर्ट्स आर्बिट्रेशन सेंटर हैज़ बीन सेटअप इन अहमदाबाद, गुजरात, विच वॉज इनाग्रेटेड बाय द यूनियन मिनिस्टर फॉर लॉ एंड जस्टिस किरण रिजिजू है। स्पोर्ट्स आर्बिट्रेशन सेंटर। वाइस प्रेसिडेंट एम वेंकैया नायडू इनाग्रेटेड द महाबहू ब्रह्मपुत्र रिवर हेरिटेज सेंटर इन गुवाहाटी, असम। याद रख लीजिए, महाबहू ब्रह्मपुत्र रिवर हेरिटेज सेंटर। सुदर्शन Sudarshan Bharat Parikrama. Union Home Minister Amit Shah flagged off NSG All India Car Rally named Sudarshan Bharat Parikrama from Red Fort on 2nd October. It will end on 30 October 2021 दोस्तों. Okay, an IT-enabled payment and accounting system named Prabal has been developed by the Defense Accounts Department, Ministry of Defense. Prabal किसने develop किया है? Ministry of Defense ने. Jim Corbett National Park has been renamed as a Ramganga National Park. Okay. Next, Kamadhenu Deepavali 2021 campaign. The government of India has launched this campaign to promote a cow dung based lamb and Lakshmi Ganesh idols on the occasion of Diwali. नेक्स्ट स्वच्छ प्रोग्राम की बात करें तो आंध्र प्रदेश है ये. इसका ऑब्जेक्टिव ये है कि टू इंश्योर द अफोर्डेबल एक्सेस टू हेल्थ एंड मेंस्ट्रुअल हाइजीन अमॉन्ग द एडोलेसेंट गर्ल्स एंड ओके क्लियर. नेक्स्ट, इंडियाज फर्स्ट ई फिश मार्केट ऐप फिश वाले वाज लॉन्च. IIT Madras has developed a digital platform called eSource to address electronic waste. Through this waste, electronic goods can be bought or sold online. SBI Bank has launched a floating ATM at Dal Lake, located in Srinagar, Jammu and Kashmir. Earlier in 2004, SBI had opened a floating ATM in Kerala. Very important. IIT Ropar, Kanpur, Delhi University jointly developed a world first based air purifier. उसका नाम क्या रखा है इन्होंने? अनब्रीथ रखा है, सॉरी यूब्रीथ रखा है दोस्तों. यूब्रीथ लाइफ. It will purify the air inside the houses. Prime Minister Narendra Modi released a commemorative coin of 125 rupees on the occasion of 125th birth anniversary of ISKCON founder Sri Bhakti Vedanta Swami Prabhupada. Himachal Pradesh has become the first state to administer the first dose of COVID-19 vaccine to 100% of its adult population. The Union Territory of Ladakh has declared the snow leopard as a state animal along with the black-necked crane as a state bird. The Tamil Nadu government recently announced establishment of India's first Dugong Conservation Reserve in Gulf of Pakistan. याद रख लीजिए किसमें? Gulf of Pakistan. Dugong is a marine is a mammal also known as sea cow. It's found in Gulf of Mannar and Gulf of Pak. The India plastic. थोड़ा रेक्टिफिकेशन कर लीजिए यहाँ पे. मैं आपको चेक करके बताता हूँ कि गल्फ ऑफ पाकिस्तान है, बिकॉज गल्फ ऑफ मन्नार is a south part, right? Gulf of Pak. Okay, so let's see. मैं आपको clarify कर देता हूँ. The India Plastic Pact platform was launched for the first time in India in collaboration with the Confederation of CIA as a world wildlife fund for nature with a objective क्या है दोस्तों इसका? For using and recycling. Okay, so India Plastic Pact platform was launched for the first time in India in collaboration with the Confederation of Indian Industry, CII. Very very important दोस्तों. Okay. चलिए नेक्स्ट देख लेते हैं. इट वॉज objective of reusing recycling the plastics. It was launched by the Alexander Ellis British High Commissioner to India, and India is the first Asian country to enter into the plastic agreement. This is not a Gulf of Pakistan दोस्तों, ये रीनेम ये पाक बे है दोस्तों, याद रख लीजिए पाक बे. ओके, दिस इज़ रॉन्ग, यहाँ पे गलत प्रिंट हुआ है. सॉरी यहाँ पे लिख नहीं पा रहा हूँ मैं, ये कुछ गड़बड़ हो गया है. सो PALK पाक बे. ओके क्लियर. चलिए नेक्स्ट देख लेते हैं. The government of Maharashtra announced the setting up of a science city in Pune to develop scientific outlook among the students. This science city will be named after Rajiv Gandhi. For the first time in India, a building made of organic brick made from agriculture waste has been constructed in IIT Hyderabad. The Food Safety Standards Authority of India conferred 5-star Eat Right Station certification to Chandigarh Railway Station. This certification given for providing the nutritious and high quality food to the passengers. The world highest motorable road in Ladakh has been constructed by the BRO. Its height is 19,300 feet, which is connected to Leh to Pangong. It passes through the Umlingla Pass. The UP government adopted the Indian wrestling and is expected to pump in an investment of 170 crore in infrastructure and support to the wrestler till 2032 Olympics. Assam government removes Rajiv Gandhi नेम फ्रॉम राजीव गांधी ओरांग नेशनल पार्क, और इसको सिर्फ ओरांग नेशनल पार्क कहा गया है. वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. द गवर्नमेंट ऑफ छत्तीसगढ़ हैज सेट अप ए जर्नलिस्ट वेलफेयर फंड टू प्रोवाइड फाइनेंशियल असिस्टेंस टू द फैमिली ऑफ जर्नलिस्ट हु लॉस्ट देयर लाइफ ड्यू टू COVID-19. वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. नेक्स्ट, क्या नाम है इसका? जर्नलिस्ट वेलफेयर फंड. Amazon India launches Kisan Store to ensure India's farmer have access to farm equipment, seeds and etc. तो उन्होंने क्या लॉन्च किया? किसान स्टोर को लॉन्च किया है दोस्तों. चलिए सितंबर 2021 देख लेते हैं. The Union Ministry of Women and Child Development has announced to celebrate the month of September as पोषण माह. वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. हर साल हम सितंबर में ही मनाते हैं दोस्तों पोषण माह को. एंड गोवा चीफ मिनिस्टर प्रमोद सावंत जी अनाउंस फ्री वाटर सप्लाई टू द पीपल ऑफ स्टेट फ्रॉम 1st September. And Goa has become the first state in the country to provide free water to the citizens. So Goa has become the first state in the country to provide free water to the citizen. Shikshak Parv 2021 was organized by the Ministry of Education from 5th September to the 17th September 2021. It was inaugurated by Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji. मध्य प्रदेश गवर्नमेंट अनाउंस 27% रिजर्वेशन फॉर ओबीसी. पहले जो है 14% था, अभी 27 कर दिया गया है फॉर डायरेक्ट रिक्रूटमेंट इन द गवर्नमेंट सर्विसेज एंड पोस्ट. रिसेंटली ए केस ऑफ निपा वायरस वॉज रिपोर्टेड इन कोझीकोड केरला. दिस वायरस, ये याद रख लीजिएगा, ओके, ये आपको बैट से फैलती है दोस्तों, बैट्स टू ह्यूमन. ए 5-day इंटरनेशनल कॉन्फ्रेंस एंड नैनो टेक्नोलॉजी, okay, was organized at the National Institute of Technology Srinagar on 7th September. Recently, a new case of fever has been reported in Mathura, UP, which has been named scrub typhus disease. याद रख लीजिए, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट है ये. स्क्रब टाइफस डिसीज ये यूपी से ये हुआ था. चलिए नेक्स्ट, इसको थोड़ा जूम इन कर लेते हैं हम. या नाउ इट इज़ प्रॉपरली ओके. नेक्स्ट, कार्बी अंगलोंग पीस अग्रीमेंट, ये किसके बीच में साइन हुआ था दोस्तों? गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया, गवर्नमेंट ऑफ असम एंड द कार्बी ग्रुप, जो कि 4th सितंबर 2021 में साइन किया था. द मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ एनवायरमेंट, फॉरेस्ट एंड क्लाइमेट चेंज हैज़ नोटिफाइड दीपौर बिल वाइल्ड लाइफ सेंचुरी located in Assam as a eco-sensitive zone. The country's tallest air purifier tower has been constructed in Chandigarh. Its height is 24 meters, capable of purifying the air of the radius of around 1 kilometers. BHEL has set up a country first indigenous developed ash coal gasification based methanol production plant. कहाँ पे? हैदराबाद, याद रख लीजिए, हैदराबाद में रखा गया. The plant will produce 0.25 tons of methanol per day from high ash coal. Okay. National Highway Authority of India developed India's first emergency landing facility of the Air Force on NH 925A near Barmer, Rajasthan. It was inaugurated by Defense Minister Rajnath Singh and Union Highway Minister Nitin Gadkari. Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated Sardar Dham Bhavan in Ahmedabad through video conferencing. This building will provide separate hostel facility to the rural boys and girls. क्या नाम है? सरदार धाम भवन. Very important. Tamil Nadu government has announced to celebrate सुब्रमण्य भारती डेथ एनिवर्सरी एज ए महाकवि दिवस. याद रख लीजिए दोस्तों, ये भी इंपॉर्टेंट है. सुब्रमण्य भारती डेथ एनिवर्सरी जी को अभी महाकवि दिवस की तरह सेलिब्रेट किया जाएगा. द गवर्नमेंट ऑफ तमिलनाडु ऑन 17th September अनाउंस टू सेलिब्रेट सोशल जस्टिस डे ऑन बर्थ एनिवर्सरी ऑफ E.V. रामास्वामी पेरियार. India's largest open air furnace was constructed at Ranikhet in Uttarakhand. Very important. इंडिया का लार्जेस्ट ओपन एयर फर्नेस रानीखेत उत्तराखंड में बनाया गया है. वेरियस स्पीसीज ऑफ फर्न्स विल बी प्रोटेक्टेड. अवेयरनेस अबाउट द रोल्स इन द इकोसिस्टम विल बी प्रमोटेड. ओके. नेक्स्ट, अकॉर्डिंग टू द नेशनल इंस्टीट्यूशनल रैंकिंग फ्रेमवर्क 2021 फॉर द थर्ड टाइम इन रो, IIT Madras has been judged with institute overall in the country. Madhya Pradesh has become the first state in the country to implement cyber security to prevent cyber attacks in the power sector. दोस्तों, Telangana became the first state to transport medicine through drones to remote areas, and Telangana has named the Medicine from Sky project. Prime Minister Narendra Modi the foundation stone उन्होंने रखा था of Raja Mahendra Pratap Singh University on 13 September 2021 in Aligarh, UP, in honor of freedom fighter and social reformer Raja Mahendra Pratap Singh. नेक्स्ट देख लेते हैं. ऑन 15 September 2021 प्राइम मिनिस्टर नरेंद्र मोदी जी और वाइस प्रेसिडेंट वेंकैया नायडू और लोकसभा स्पीकर ओम बिरला जी, इन्होंने संसद टीवी को लॉन्च किया है दोस्तों. इसको लोकसभा और राज्यसभा टीवी जो पहले आप देखते थे ना, इसको कंबाइन कर दिया गया है. ओके, नेक्स्ट चलते हैं. टाटा स्टील कंपनी हैज सेटअप इंडियाज़ फर्स्ट कार्बन कैप्चर प्लांट इन जमशेदपुर. और ये प्लांट जो है आपको 5 tons ऑफ कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड को ऑब्जर्व कर लेता है पर डे. एंड टाटा स्टील हैज़ बिकम द फर्स्ट कंपनी टू अडॉप्ट सच टेक्नोलॉजी. वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. आयांग शांगता, a 12-year-old environmental activist from Mumbai, has been chosen as 2021 International Young Eco Hero Award for the conservation of Powai Lake दोस्तों. Okay. Niti Aayog Atal Innovation Mission in collaboration with ISRO and CBSE launched Space Challenge for the school student. Under this, student will be encouraged to increase the innovation in the field of space. CISF officer Geeta Samota became the fastest Indian to scale Mount Kilimanjaro in Tanzania, Africa, and Mount Elbrus in Russia दोस्तों. The UP government announced the setting up of electric park to promote electronics industry. Companies manufacturing electronic equipment will set up their units in park. The world's highest electric vehicle charging station has been built at Kaza, Himachal Pradesh. It was founded by GoEgo company दोस्तों. The Union Railway Minister Ashwini Vaishnav was launched by Rail Kaushal Vikas Yojana. Under this, training will be provided about 50,000 youth with the help of 75 railway training institutes. Next, the government of Rajasthan passed a new bill by the amending in Rajasthan Tourism Business Act 2010. Under this, misbehavior with the tourist in the states has been declared as crime. याद रख लीजिए, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट है. कोई भी अगर मिसबिहेव करता है टूरिस्ट के साथ तो वो क्राइम है दोस्तों. Recently, Niti Aayog launches report on reforms in urban planning capacity in India. इस रिपोर्ट की बात करें तो अंडर दिस रिपोर्ट a target has been set to build 500 healthy cities in next 5 years. The target is to make all the cities of the country healthy by 2030. Archaeological Survey of India discovered the ruins of Gupta Empire Temple in Etah, UP. These relics have been found from the Bilsad site. कौन सी साइट से? Bilsad site. In which the inscription of Kaunch Shela is engraved. Okay, याद रख लीजिए. ये किसके हैं? गुप्ता एम्पायर के ज़माने के हैं दोस्तों. टू कमेमोरेट द गोल्डन जुबली ऑफ इंडो पाक वार 1971, इंडियन आर्मी ऑर्गेनाइज विजय कल्चरल फेस्टिवल इन कोलकाता फ्रॉम 26 to 29 September. Union Home Minister and Cooperation Minister Amit Shah inaugurated first ever National Cooperative Conference at Indira Gandhi Stadium in New Delhi. जो भी क्वेश्चन में फर्स्ट आ जाता है ना, then it is very important. The main objective of the conference is to provide platform to strengthen Indian cooperative on global stage. Supreme Court of India has introduced the electric system named FASTER. Using this system, e-certificates will be sent from courts to prison through secure electronic communication. FASTER का फुल फॉर्म क्या है? फास्ट सिक्योर ट्रांसमिशन ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉनिक रिकॉर्ड्स. ओके, नेक्स्ट देख लेते हैं. द गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया स्टार्टेड ए कंस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ वर्क परशुराम कुंड. ये हिंदी पिलग्रिमेज साइट इन अरुणाचल प्रदेश. दिस पिलग्रिमेज साइट विल बी ऑन द लोहित रिवर इन ब्रह्मपुत्र प्लाटू. आयुष्मान भारत डिजिटल मिशन की बात करें, इसको लॉन्च किया गया था हमारे प्राइम मिनिस्टर नरेंद्र मोदी जी on 27 September 2021. Under this, people will be provided with digital health ID which contain all the health related records of the person. And North India's largest palmatum was inaugurated at Haldwani in Nainital district of Uttarakhand. It has been created to create awareness about the importance of palm species. इसका से palmatum रखा गया है in the role of ecology. Union Information and Broadcasting Minister Anurag Thakur inaugurated a 5-day long Himalayan Film Festival in Leh, the capital of Ladakh, on 24 September. The ceremony was inaugurated with a Sher Shah, a film based on कैप्टन विक्रम बत्रा, जो आप सभी लोग जानते हैं अमेजोन में भी है वो, राइट. सिद्धार्थ मल्होत्रा जी ने एक्टिंग की थी इसमें. रिसेंटली द मिनिस्टर ऑफ सोशल जस्टिस एंड एम्पावरमेंट हैज स्टार्टेड हेल्पलाइन नंबर. क्या था इनका? 14567 फॉर द एल्डरली. इसको क्या कहते हैं? एल्डर लाइन कहा जाता है दोस्तों. ओके, एल्डर लाइन. अंडर दिस सीनियर सिटीजन कैन गेट हेल्प बाय कॉलिंग दिस नंबर फॉर एनी काइंड ऑफ अब्यूज. नंबर नोट कर लीजिएगा, 14567, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. Recently, Chennai Central Railway Station for or MG Ramachandran Railway Station has become 100% solar power railway station. और इंडियाज़ फर्स्ट सोलर पावर रेलवे स्टेशन की बात करें तो वो गुवाहाटी है, याद रखिए. कौन सा है? गुवाहाटी. चलिए नेक्स्ट मंथ अगस्त 2021 देख लेते हैं. इंडियाज़ फर्स्ट हार्ट फेल्यूर बायो बैंक. एक मिनट दोस्तों, मैं थोड़ा पानी पी लेता हूँ. चलिए दोस्तों आगे बढ़ते हैं. इंडियाज़ फर्स्ट हार्ट फेल्यूर बायो बैंक. इंडिया का पहला हार्ट फेल्यूर बायो बैंक कहाँ पे इस्टेब्लिश किया गया था? केरला में. हाई क्वालिटी बायोलॉजिकल ह्यूमन सैंपल्स विल बी कलेक्टेड इन दिस बायो बैंक विच विल यूज्ड फॉर द ट्रीटमेंट ऑफ पेशेंट्स विद द हार्ट फेल्यूर. क्लियर. द एथलेटिक्स फेडरेशन ऑफ इंडिया हैज डिसाइडेड टू ऑब्जर्व 7th August एज अ जैवलिन थ्रोइंग डे इन ऑनर ऑफ गोल्ड मेडलिस्ट नीरज चोपड़ा. A decentralized biomedical waste incinerator was established in the Buxar district of Bihar, which was inaugurated by the principal scientific advisor K. Vijay Raghavan. मकसद क्या है इसका? It will recycle different types of waste. It has been developed under the Waste to Wealth mission. Recently, the Madras High Court has struck down the law banning online games by Tamil Nadu. Prime Minister Narendra Modi launched Vidya Pravesh program on the occasion of completion of 1 year of the new education policy. Its objective is to provide play school facilities, okay, in the schools of rural areas. Next, we have Bhubaneswar has become the first city in India to receive 100% COVID-19 vaccination. On the occasion of 75th anniversary of independence celebration on 15th August 2021, 32 sports persons participated in the Tokyo Olympics were invited as a guest. India's first green hydrogen fueling station will be set up at NTPC at Leh. The fueling station will be eco-friendly. On the completion of this project, the problem of transport in Ladakh will be reduced. For the first time, 2 women officer Pragati और इनका दूसरे का नाम था दिशा was appointed for the Indo-Tibetan Border Police Force on Indo-China border. The Indian Air Force has constructed the world's tallest mobile air traffic control in Ladakh, and Indore city of MP has been declared as India's Water Plus city under Swachh Sarvekshan 2021. Okay. And on the August 13, Prime Minister Narendra Modi launched the vehicle scrap policy. Under this commercial policy, commercial vehicles will be scrapped after 15 years and private vehicles scrapped after 20 years to reduce air pollution by removing old vehicles. India's first nasal COVID vaccine has been approved by Phase 2 and Phase 3 trials upon the completion of Phase 1. Under the Phase 1, it was successfully tested in the age group of 18 to 60 years. On 11th August 2021, the Parliament has passed 127 Constitution Amendment Bill 2021. Under this bill, the states and union territories will get the right to make their own OBC list. The Union Ministry of the Housing and Urban Affairs has launched a brand name called Son Chidiya for the sale of products manufactured by the self-help groups. It aims to ensure the global access to products and empower women. The Assam government passed the Cattle Protection Bill 2021 from the Legislative Assembly. Under this, the purchase and the sale of beef will be banned. Kaziranga National Park in Assam has become the first national park in India to have a satellite phone. With the help of the satellite phone, poaching can be controlled in this park. Indian Navy has launched a Honor First, very important, Honor First, to provide a banking facility to servicing ex-servicemen. For this, Navy has tied up with the IDFC Bank. Chhattisgarh has become the first state in India to recognize community forest resource rights in urban areas. Okay. Next, the Prime Minister Narendra Modi has announced August 14 will be remembered as Vibhajan Viviksha Smriti Divas, याद रख लीजिए, और Partition Horrors Remembers Day, बिकॉज ऑन दिस डे द पाकिस्तान और इंडिया जो है पार्टीशन हो गया था, तो इसीलिए इस डे को विभाजन विभिक्षा स्मृति दिवस की तरह रिमेंबर किया जाएगा. Prime Minister Narendra Modi launched Mission Circular Economy to make India self-reliant in the energy sector. He has set a target of making India energy independent India by 2047. Union Agriculture and Farmers Welfare Minister Narendra Singh Tomar inaugurated world's second largest national gene park bank in Pusa. याद रख लीजिए. And Odisha Chief Minister Naveen Patnaik on the occasion of 75th Independence Day announced to provide a smart health card to 3.5 crore people of the state under the Biju Swasthya Kalyan Yojana. Very important. Okay. 3.5 करोड़ लोगों को स्मार्ट हेल्थ कार्ड इशू किया जाएगा अंडर बिजू स्वास्थ्य कल्याण योजना. अंडर दिस एवरी फैमिली कैन गेट ट्रीटमेंट अप टू 5 लाख पर ईयर एंड वुमेन कैन गेट अप टू ट्रीटमेंट अप 10 lakh. Odisha has become the first state in India to provide smart health cards. Delhi Chandigarh highway has become India's first electric vehicle friendly highway. Several charging stations have been set up on the highway by BHEL under the FAME 1 scheme by Ministry of Industries. Next, American company Apple has been ranked first among the top 500 most valuable companies in the world in the Hurun Global Rich. ओके, यूएसए टॉप इट विथ 243 कंपनीज. इंडिया का रैंक 9th है दोस्तों, 12 कंपनी, उसमें हमारा रिलायंस इंडस्ट्री का जो रैंक देखेंगे 57th रैंक है. भारत पेट्रोलियम कॉर्पोरेशन लिमिटेड हैज़ लॉन्च AI बेस्ड चैटबॉट नेम्ड ऊर्जा, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, ऊर्जा, अंडर प्रोजेक्ट अनुभव. It is the first chatbot in India oil and gas industry through which an online platform will be provided for quick resolution of customer queries. India's highest herbal park was established in Chamoli, Uttarakhand. This park is situated at an altitude of 11,000 feet. In order to promote Sanskrit in India from 19th August to 25th August 2021, इसको हम संस्कृत वीक की तरह मनाया जाता है. कब से कब तक? 19th अगस्त से लेकर 25th अगस्त तक. NTPC Limited has launched the country's largest floating solar PV project in Visakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh. It has been installed under the flexibility scheme on the reservoir of Simhadri thermal station having capacity of 25 megawatt. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has announced the operation of 75 Vande Bharat Express trains in 75th week of Amrit Mahotsav of Azadi. Okay. Presently, there are 2 Vande Bharat Express trains running, first from Varanasi to New Delhi and second Katara to New Delhi. Clear? चलिए नेक्स्ट देख लेते हैं. हरियाणा चीफ मिनिस्टर मनोहर लाल खट्टर साहब, उन्होंने अनाउंस किया दे आर गोइंग टू रीनेम द हिसार एयरपोर्ट एज महाराजा अग्रसेन इंटरनेशनल एयरपोर्ट. The world first museum on wheels was inaugurated in Kolkata on occasion of 75th Independence Day. क्या है? Museum on wheels. Okay. छत्तीसगढ़ चीफ मिनिस्टर भूपेश बागल announced the creation of 4 new districts in the state. The 4 new districts are क्या है? मोहला मनपुर, सख्ती, महेंद्रगढ़ और सरंगढ़ बीतलगढ़. दोस्तों यहाँ देख लीजिए. Indian Army organized a 400 kilometer relay marathon named Jazba-e-Tiranga in Jammu and Kashmir. On 16th August 2021, 117th birth anniversary of India's famous writer and freedom fighter Subhadra Kumari Chauhan was celebrated. कब? 16th August को. Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal inaugurated India's first smog tower in Connaught Place, Delhi, and this tower will purify 1,000 cubic meters of air every second. IIT Madras has developed India's first indigenous motorized wheelchair called NeoBot. Very very important. NeoBolt. Okay, not bot, it's a bolt. किसने डेवलप किया? IIT मद्रास जी. और क्या है ये? फर्स्ट इंडिजिनस मोटर व्हीलचेयर हैज़ बीन बिल्ट बाय कीपिंग द माइंड डिसेबल्ड पीपल and its speed is 25 kilometers per hour. American company OEM इंटरनेशनल कमीशन इंडियाज़ फर्स्ट ग्रीन एनर्जी हाइड्रोजन इलेक्ट्रोलाइजर मैन्युफैक्चरिंग फैसिलिटी कहाँ पे आई है, एक बार बेंगलुरु में लगाया गया है दोस्तों. रिसेंटली द वर्ल्ड हाईएस्ट सिनेमा हॉल वाज इनॉग्रेटेड इन लद्दाख. ये आपको 11,000 फीट की ऊंचाई पर रखा गया है. द यूनियन मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ रोड ट्रांसपोर्ट एंड हाईवेज हैज़ लॉन्च भारत सीरीज, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, BH आपने देखा होगा, और न्यू व्हीकल फॉर न्यू व्हीकल रजिस्ट्रेशन प्लेस. आफ्टर दिस BH सीरीज आपको आएगी. द व्हीकल विल नॉट हैव टू रजिस्टर अगेन व्हाइल मूविंग फ्रॉम वन स्टेट टू अनदर स्टेट. Defense Minister Rajnath Singh announced the renaming of the Army Sports Institute as Neeraj Chopra Stadium. A meeting of the National Security Advisor of IBSA, जो कि इंडिया, ब्राज़ील, साउथ अमेरिका है, was held on 25 अगस्त 2021 via वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंस, जो कि हमारे अजीत डोवल जी हैं ना, उन्होंने होस्ट किया था. इलेक्शन कमीशन ऑफ इंडिया ऑर्गेनाइज स्वीप काउंसलिंग वर्कशॉप ऑन 25 to 26 अगस्त. इट्स ऑब्जेक्टिव इज टू स्ट्रेटेजाइज फॉर द अपकमिंग इलेक्शन, इंश्योर वोटर एक्सेस टू elect and promote voter literacy. क्या नाम है? स्वीप. नीति आयोग एंड द वर्ल्ड Research Institute India jointly launched the Forum for Decarbonizing Transport. It aims to reduce of greenhouse gases generated by transportation in Asia region. Next, Uttar Pradesh government has decided to name the road leading to Ram Temple in Ayodhya after former Chief Minister Kalyan Singh. चलिए नेक्स्ट देख लेते हैं. नीति आयोग एंड द मिनिस्टर ऑफ डेवलपमेंट ऑफ नॉर्थ ईस्टर्न रीजन इन कोलैबोरेशन विद UNDP रिलीज नॉर्थ ईस्टर्न रीजन डिस्ट्रिक्ट SDG इंडेक्स रिपोर्ट. इसमें आपको ईस्ट सिक्किम डिस्ट्रिक्ट ऑफ सिक्किम स्टूड फर्स्ट इन द इंडेक्स. द लास्ट प्लेस वाज बैक्ड बाय द खैफर डिस्ट्रिक्ट ऑफ नागालैंड. याद रखिए, पहले लास्ट को किसको मिला? खैफर डिस्ट्रिक्ट. नेक्स्ट जुलाई के देख लेते हैं. प्रेसिडेंट रामनाथ कोविंद लेड द फाउंडेशन स्टोन ऑफ भीमराव अंबेडकर मेमोरियल एंड कल्चरल सेंटर एट आयुषबाग लखनऊ. इन दिस सेंटर देयर विल बी a 25 feet हाई स्टैचू ऑफ द भीमराव अंबेडकर. Nipun Bharat program, the Union Education Minister launched the Nipun Bharat program. It aims to ensure that every child up to grade 3 यानी 3 क्लास तक attain a basic literacy and numeracy for by 2026-27. India's second largest cricket stadium will be built in Jaipur, Rajasthan, and it will be the second largest stadium after the Narendra Modi Stadium in Ahmedabad. Delhi Metro Railway Corporation has launched India's first FASTag based cashless parking facility. इंडिया का पहला गुजरात इंटरनेशनल मैरीटाइम आर्बिट्रेशन सेंटर बनाया गया है, जो कि गांधीनगर में सेटअप किया गया है. इट विल बी यूज फॉर मेनली मैरीटाइम बोट्स. ओके. इंडियाज फर्स्ट मूवेबल फ्रेश वाटर टनल एक्वेरियम हैज़ बीन ओपनड एट KSR रेलवे स्टेशन इन बैंगलोर. याद रख लीजिए. इट इज़ 12 feet लॉन्ग. इट इज़ टू प्रोवाइड टू वर्ल्ड क्लास एक्सपीरियंस टू द ट्रैवलर्स एट अफोर्डेबल प्राइस टू गेट अवेयरनेस अबाउट द एनवायरमेंट. स्पर्श सिस्टम देख लेते हैं. मिनिस्टर ऑफ डिफेंस लॉन्च स्पर्श सिस्टम for pensioners of Indian Armed Force. Through this, timely payment to the pensions will be ensured in a digital manner. Amazon company has set up its first digital center in India. कहाँ पे है? वो भी सूरत में है. The center will inform MSMEs about the benefits of e-commerce, and Amazon has set a target to digitize 1 crore small and medium industries in India by 2025. Recently, Manipur has also been included in the railway map of India. Rajdhani Express from the Silchar railway station in Assam was trailed for Wagai Chumpu railway station, Manipur. याद रख लीजिए दोस्तों. Indian Council for Cultural Relations established in Bagha Bandhu Chair at the University of Delhi to celebrate the 50th anniversary of country's liberation struggle, and this bench will be established in the honor of Sheikh Mujibur Rahman, the founder of Bangladesh. Okay. चलिए दोस्तों नेक्स्ट देख लेते हैं. इंडियाज़ फर्स्ट क्रिप्टोगैमिक गार्डन वाज इनॉग्रेटेड इन देहरादून, उत्तराखंड. वेरियस स्पीसीज ऑफ लिचन्स हो गया, आलगी, फंगाई एक्सेट्रा यहाँ पे रखा जाएगा दोस्तों. उनको प्रिजर्व करने के लिए इस तरह का गार्डन बनाया गया है. यूनियन मिनिस्ट्री फॉर रोड ट्रांसपोर्ट एंड हाईवेज नितिन गडकरी इनॉग्रेटेड इंडियाज़ फर्स्ट प्राइवेट LNG, इसका नाम है लिक्विफाइड नेचुरल गैस फैसिलिटी प्लांट इन नागपुर. ओके, जो टू एम्फसाइज द इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ बायोफ्यूल्स. Under this, the use of alternate fuels like indigenous ethanol, bio-CNG, LNG, etc. will be promoted. The UP government has started a new population policy to control the population. Under this, people with more than 2 children will not be able to get the benefits of the government jobs and other government schemes. UP has set a target of achieving 2.1% population growth by 2050. India's largest solar power park will be constructed in Kutch, Gujarat by India's Power Generating Company NTPC Limited. और इसकी जो कैपेसिटी रहेगी वो 4750 मेगावाट रहेगी दोस्तों. और इनका टारगेट ये है कि 2032 यानी 2032 तक 60 गीगावाट ऑफ रिन्यूएबल एनर्जी को जनरेट कर पाए. यूनियन टेरिटरी ऑफ लद्दाख हैज टाइड अप विद सिक्किम टू कम ऑर्गेनिक बाय 2025. नॉर्थ ईस्टर्न रेलवे हैज चेंज द नेम ऑफ द मंदुदीह रेलवे स्टेशन इन उत्तर प्रदेश टू बनारस रेलवे स्टेशन. इंडिया का पहला ग्रीन एटीएम हैज़ बीन सेटअप इन गुरुग्राम हरियाणा. दिस मिशन बैंक इज लाइक एन एटीएम. इन दिस इफ द बेनिफिशियरी विल एंटर हिज आधार और रेशन कार्ड नंबर, देन हिज फूड ग्रेन्स विल कम आउट ऑफ द मशीन. दोस्तों, Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated Rudraksh Convention Center in Varanasi, Uttar Pradesh. It is an international cooperation and convention center that will attract tourists and businesses to the city. The center has 108 Rudraksha and the roof is in the shape of Shivling. Recently, the name of the Joint High Court of the Union Territory of Jammu Kashmir and Ladakh has been changed to High Court of Jammu Kashmir and Ladakh. President Ramnath Kovind has signed a Jammu Kashmir Reorganization Order 2021 to give to the effect of J&K Reorganization Act 2019. The government of Maharashtra has launched a new electric vehicle policy 2021 to make the state be the largest producer of the electric vehicles in India. Under this, the share of electric vehicles in the registration of new vehicles is to be brought down to 110% by 2025. Karnataka became the first state in India to provide 1% reservation jobs for transgender person. For the first time in India, the cultivation of monk fruit of China was tested in Kulu, Himachal Pradesh. This fruit was introduced by the testing CSIR and IHBT. Clear? नेक्स्ट देख लेते हैं. चलिए, इंडियन ऑयल कॉरपोरेशन, एक मिनट. ओके, इंडियन ऑयल कॉरपोरेशन विल सेट अप इंडियाज फर्स्ट ग्रीन हाइड्रोजन प्लांट एट मथुरा रिफाइनरी इन उत्तर प्रदेश. विद दिस द ग्रोइंग ऑयल एंड एनर्जी नीड्स ऑफ द कंट्री विल बी met. The union government has announced to set up a country's first India Institute of Heritage in Noida. Through this, higher education research related to the conservation of Indian heritage will be promoted. कहाँ पे इनॉग्रेट किया? पहला इंडियन इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ हेरिटेज नोएडा में. दोस्त याद रख लीजिए. Perumkulam village in Kollam district of Kerala has been given the title of Kerala's first book village to encourage the habit of reading, and more than 7,000 books have been kept in the library. Okay. And next we have Kakatiya Rudreshwar temple in Palampet, Telangana has been included in UNESCO World Heritage Site. It is the 39th heritage site of India, and this is also known as Ramappa temple. Next, Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad Sangma and Union Home Minister Amit Shah inaugurated the Greater Sohra Water Supply Scheme in Khasi Hills of Meghalaya. दोस्तों, Dholavira, a Harappan city located in Gujarat, has been included in the UNESCO World Heritage Site as a 40. अभी 40 हो चुके हैं. Ladakh became the first Union territory in India to do the 100% vaccination of the first dose of COVID-19. Puri, जो उड़ीसा में, became the first city in India to provide quality drinking water 24 hours. 24 घंटे आपको quality drinking water रहेगा. It is a part of Drink from Tap project of Odisha. It was decided by the Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment to set up Garima Greh for transgender person, and this will be set up in various states to provide safe shelter to transgender person. IIT Hyderabad developed India's first rapid COVID-19 RNA test kit. It is named COVID Home, दोस्त याद रख लीजिए, through which COVID-19 can be tested at home. Next, a 5-star hotel has been constructed above Gandhinagar railway station, Gujarat, which was recently inaugurated by Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji. For the first time in India, a 5-star hotel has been constructed at a railway station. The area of Lemru Elephant Reserve, located in Korba district of Chhattisgarh, okay, has been proposed to decrease from 1995 square kilometers to 450 square kilometers. बाय द स्टेट फॉरेस्ट मिनिस्ट्री. तो क्या हुआ एक्चुअली, एलिफेंट रिजर्व जो था, जो कोरबा डिस्ट्रिक्ट ऑफ छत्तीसगढ़ में था, तो इन्होंने अपने एरिया को कम करने की बात की है दोस्तों. पहले 1995 स्क्वायर किलोमीटर रहा करता था, अभी 450 स्क्वायर किलोमीटर कर दिया बाय स्टेट फॉरेस्ट मिनिस्ट्री. रिसेंटली ए केस ऑफ जिका वायरस वॉज रिपोर्टेड फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम इन केरला. याद रखिए, केरला में पहली बार पाया गया था. द वायरस इज स्प्रेड बाय द मस्किटोस, याद रखिए. और निपा वायरस बैट से फैलता है आपको. कंचन Ugur Sandi completed India's first solo motorcycle expedition by crossing 18 passes of India. They cover 3,187 kilometers Delhi Manali to फिर मनाली से लेह से उमिंगला, फिर उमिंगला से भी दिल्ली. She is the first woman biker to cover the distance. The campaign was flagged off by the Defence Minister Rajnath Singh on 11th June from Delhi. दोस्तों, नेक्स्ट देख लेते हैं. National Research Center of Yak, located at Kamang, Arunachal Pradesh, has tied up with a national insurance company limited to ensure the Himalayan yak. क्लियर. एंड ऑपरेशन प्रवाह की बात करते हैं. कोची इंटरनेशनल एयरपोर्ट लिमिटेड हैज़ लॉन्च ऑपरेशन प्रवाह टू प्रोटेक्ट द एयरपोर्ट फ्रॉम फ्लड हजार्ड्स. द भारत वाटिका पार्क, वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, भारत वाटिका पार्क हैज़ बीन इनॉग्रेटेड इन उत्तराखंड, वेयर द स्टेट ट्रीज ऑफ 28 स्टेट्स एंड 5 यूनियन टेरिटरीज एंड 24 अदर ट्री स्पीसीज हैव बीन प्रोटेक्टेड. याद रख लीजिए, जितने भी स्टेट ट्रीज हैं 28 स्टेट्स के, उसके अलावा 24 अदर ट्री स्पीसीज जो वेरी रेयर होते हैं, उसको प्रोटेक्ट किया जा रहा है भारत वाटिका पार्क में. Balika Panchayat was organized in the Kunaria village of Kutch district of Gujarat. It is objective to increase the participation of girls in Panchayat election. UNESCO has included 6 sites of India in the provisional list of World Heritage Sites. With this, the number of destination in India has gone up to 48 in this list. Okay, 6 sites: Ganga Ghat, Kanchipuram Temple, Satpura Tiger Reserve, Maratha Military Architecture, megalithic site of Hair Bepkal, Beda Ghat, Lamed Ghat of Narmada Valley. Okay, ये 6 साइट्स दोबारा से इंक्लूड कर दिया गया है. अभी हम टोटल 48 पे जा चुके हैं दोस्तों, याद रख लीजिए. नेक्स्ट, जून 2021, Goa has become the first state in the country to become rabies free. Now, Odisha government has tied up with the World Food Program to United Nations to improve the world food and nutritional security. Prime Minister Narendra Modi virtually inaugurated Japanese Zen Garden and Kaizen Academy in Ahmedabad. It is jointly established by the India and Japan. Recently, water formula agreement was signed between Karnataka and Maharashtra to deal with the problem of drought. Project O2 for India. The initiative was launched by the official of Principal Scientific Advisor to India to ensure the supply of oxygen to hospitals in India. Bharti Airtel and Tata Group decided to make 5G network solution for India. Okay. Next, Union Food Processing Industry Minister Narendra Singh Tomar inaugurated India's best mega food park in Chhattisgarh. Its objective is to create more employment in the state and increase the income of farmers. The world's first genetically modified rubber plant was planted in Guwahati, Assam. It is developed by Kerala-based Rubber Research Institute in India, and GM rubber can produce more even under the adverse climate condition. The Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment announced the establishment of Divyang Khel Kendra, okay, with the object of encouraging differently abled in sports and performing well in Para Olympics. Okay, चलिए नेक्स्ट देख लेते हैं. To encourage the population growth in Mizoram, the state sports minister announced a grant of 1 lakh to the parents with the most children. दोस्तों, okay, as part of Amrit Mahotsav of Independence, Jhanda Satyagraha program was organized in Jabalpur. The program was addressed by Union Minister of Tourism and Culture Prahat Singh Patel. Green tariff policy की बात करें, the central government has implemented this policy to strengthen India's green energy potential. Through this, electricity will be supplied from clean energy project at cheaper rates. So, Vian village in Jammu Kashmir became the first village in India to vaccinate 100% of the adult population against COVID-19. The UP government has launched a special pink booth for vaccination of the women. Bihar government announced 33% reservation for women in medical and engineering colleges. Recently, the government of India has declared Dehing Patkai Wildlife Sanctuary as a 7th national park. Raimona Reserve Forest has been declared as a 6th national park of Assam. Okay, earlier there are 5 थे दोस्तों, कौन से काजीरंगा, मानस, ओरांग, नामेरी, दिब्रू, सैखवा थे. अभी रायमोरा 5वां हो गया है, सॉरी 6वां हो गया, 5th. Okay, 6th national park. IFFCO has launched world first nano urea liquid. It has been developed with the help of nanotechnology with increase the quality and production of crops. Next, Haryana government has announced to set up a Oxy van in Karnal district. The forest will be developed in 80 acres in which 3 crore trees will be planted. Swastik. CSIR NCL Pune has launched a new technology named Swastik, which will disinfect water by using natural oils. Prime Minister Narendra Modi announced the development of the Kevadia city in the Gujarat as the country's first electric vehicle city. याद रख लीजिए, very very important है. Only electric vehicles will run here. IIT Ropar has developed Jeevan Vayu device to supply oxygen in hospital, and it can deliver high flow oxygen up to 60 liters per minute. The device will work without electricity. The Dagmara hydroelectric project is being constructed on Kosi River in Supaul district of Bihar. The capacity of the project will be 130 megawatt. For this, Bihar Hydroelectric Corporation has tied up with the National Hydroelectric Corporation. Okay. Next, May 2021 देख लेते हैं. Indian Army in collaboration with IIT Mumbai commissioned a first solar energy harnessing plant in Sikkim. It is built with an altitude of 60,000 feet and capacity of 56 kilowatt. Okay. The Supreme Court in 2018 overruled the Maharashtra government over 50% reservation jobs and education institution to Marathas. The Punjab government declare the Malerkotla district as a 23rd district of the state. कौन सा? Malerkotla, याद रख लीजिए. Next, Puducherry has achieved the target of 100% piped water connection in rural areas under Jal Jeevan Mission. Aviation company Go Air decided to rebrand itself as Go First. अभी Go Air इन्होंने Go First चेंज कर दिया, नाम चेंज है. Digital real-time flood reporting and information system was jointly launched by the Assam State Disaster Management and UNICEF. MoMA Market. Manipur government has launched an online application, Manipur Organic Mission Agency. इसका नाम है MoMA Market for home delivery of fresh vegetables. Ministry of Tribal Affairs and Microsoft signed a MOU to bring digital transformation in tribal areas. ये याद रख लीजिएगा, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. माइक्रोसॉफ्ट से हम लोगों ने टाई किया है. Maharashtra Chamber of Commerce in collaboration with the NABARD has set up India's first agriculture export facilitation center. कहाँ पे सेट किया है? पुणे में. किसके साथ मिलकर सेट किया है? नाबार्ड के साथ मिलकर. According to the ranking released by the Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs, Jharkhand got the first position in the implementation of Smart City Mission. Recently, the West Bengal cabinet has approved the formation of legislative council in the state. दोस्तों अभी किस में है? वेस्ट बंगाल को भी अभी लेजिस्लेटिव काउंसिल दिया गया है. एट प्रेजेंट 6 स्टेट्स हैं, AP, तेलंगाना, कर्नाटका, महाराष्ट्र, बिहार एंड UP. इंडिया ब्रॉडकास्टिंग फाउंडेशन वॉज रीनेम एज इंडियन ब्रॉडकास्टिंग एंड डिजिटल फाउंडेशन, मतलब डिजिटल फाउंडेशन इसको ऐड किया गया. द पंजाब गवर्नमेंट हैज़ चेंज द नेम ऑफ द मोहाली इंटरनेशनल हॉकी स्टेडियम टू बलबीर सिंह सीनियर इंटरनेशनल हॉकी स्टेडियम. यूनाइट अवेयर प्लेटफॉर्म, ये मोबाइल प्लेटफॉर्म है, ओके, फॉर द इम्प्रूवमेंट ऑफ सेफ्टी एंड सिक्योरिटी ऑफ UN पीस स्पीकर्स के ज़रिए से हमने इंडिया में लॉन्च किया गया था. सो गार्डियन मिनिस्टर हैज़ बीन अपॉइंटेड फॉर द वेरियस डिस्ट्रिक्ट इन असम. Each guardian minister has been given the responsibility of 2 to 3 districts who will get the central and state plans implemented in the district. Next, April 2021 की बात करें, Italy has set up the India's first mega food park in Mehsana district of Gujarat. Its objective is to develop cooperation in the field of agriculture and industry between the two countries. Okay, चलिए. West Central Railway has become the first fully electrified railway zone in the country. The headquarter of the Zolan Railway is located at Jabalpur. याद रख लीजिए दोस्तों. The government of Maharashtra declared Amboli in the Western Ghats of Sindhudurg as a biodiversity heritage site. Very very important. Amboli को declare किया गया है दोस्तों. India's largest floating solar plant is being set up at Ramagundam in Peddapalli district of Telangana. Okay, and the construction of world highest railway arc bridge in Jammu Kashmir has been completed दोस्तों, याद रख लीजिए. ओके, और इसकी लेंथ हाइट देखेंगे, हाइट इज़ 359 मीटर्स अबो द रिवर लेवल एंड 1.3 किलोमीटर लॉन्ग है दोस्तों. पोषण ज्ञान डिजिटल कोश एक डिजिटल फंड है ऑन हेल्थ एंड न्यूट्रिशन, जो कि पोषण ज्ञान के नाम पे रखा गया है. इसको लॉन्च किया गया नीति आयोग के द्वारा लॉन्च किया गया है दोस्तों. ओके, इट्स ऑब्जेक्टिव इज टू फाइट माल न्यूट्रिशन एंड इंश्योर न्यूट्रिशन सिक्योरिटी इन द कंट्री. यूनियन हेल्थ मिनिस्टर अनाउंस्ड द सेटिंग अप ऑफ 100 हॉस्पिटल्स इन द कंट्री with their own oxygen plants under PM CARES. The Ghaziabad Municipal Corporation issued India's first municipal green bond. Very very important. इंडिया का पहला ग्रीन बॉन्ड किसने इशू किया? गाजियाबाद म्यूनसिपल कॉर्पोरेशन. राइजाना डायलॉग देख लेते हैं. प्राइम मिनिस्टर नरेंद्र मोदी जी इनॉग्रेटेड द 6th एडिशन ऑफ राइजाना डायलॉग थ्रू वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंसिंग. इट इज़ ए ग्लोबल कॉन्फ्रेंस ऑन जियो पॉलिटिक्स एंड जियो इकोनॉमिक्स. इस बार की जो थीम रही है, ये भी याद रख लीजिएगा, इंपॉर्टेंट है. वायरल वर्ल्ड, आउटब्रेक्स, आउटलाइनर्स एंड आउट ऑफ कंट्रोल. चीफ गेस्ट हमारे प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ रवांडा थे एंड प्राइम मिनिस्टर ऑफ डेनमार्क को भी बुलाया गया था. इन ऑर्डर टू मीट द डिमांड ऑफ ऑक्सीजन इन वेरियस स्टेट्स आफ्टर इंक्रीजिंग द केसेस ऑफ कोविड-19, सो इंडियन रेलवेज ने ऑक्सीजन एक्सप्रेस ट्रेन्स निकाला था दोस्तों. ओके, प्रियंका मोहिते ऑफ महाराष्ट्र हैज बिकम द फर्स्ट इंडियन एज ए माउंटेनियर टू स्केल द माउंट अन्नपूर्णा. On the occasion of Panchayati Raj Day on 24th April, Prime Minister Narendra Modi launched e-property card distribution under Swamitva scheme. Important. Under this, more than 4 lakh property holders of 5,000 villages were given. The ownership scheme was launched in April 2020. दोस्तों, India's first 3D printed house was built in Indian Institute of Technology Madras, which was inaugurated by the Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman ji. The house was built in just 5 days using 3D printing. This is important from point of क्योंकि अब सभी लोग जानते हैं कि हाउसिंग फॉर ऑल हम लोगों ने अचीव करने की बात की गई थी 2022 में, तो उसके हिसाब से ये इंपॉर्टेंट है दोस्तों. ओके, द मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ शिपिंग एंड वाटरवेज हैज़ अप्रूव्ड 110 करोड़ रोपेक्स जेटी प्रोजेक्ट ऑन धमरा रिवर एट केंद्रपारा ओडिशा. ओके, एंड इंडियाज़ फर्स्ट फ्लोटिंग LNG स्टोरेज एंड रीगैसिफिकेशन यूनिट वॉज कमीशन इन महाराष्ट्र. दोस्तों, याद रख लीजिए. ओके, द यूनियन मिनिस्ट्री has declared the Union Territory of Lakshadweep as a TB free, and the government of India has given the organic certificates to some parts of the Andaman Nicobar Island. Delhi Airport has launched an oxygen bar called OxyPure. In this bar, passenger can take an advantage of oxygenated air. To deal with the COVID-19, the first oxygen express was run by Indian Railways from Mumbai to Visakhapatnam. तो कहाँ पे रन किया था? मुंबई टू विशाखापट्टनम. Okay. मुंबई टू विशाखापट्टनम हो गया. नेक्स्ट, इंडियाज़ फर्स्ट वर्टिकल फॉरेस्ट टावर इज बिल्ट एट Bangalore, which has been named as Mana Foresta. It will be an apartment with vines of trees in its balcony and windows. So, Goa-based startup company Kabira Mobility has developed India's first high-speed commercial delivery e-scooter named Hermes 75. Very very important है. Next, UP government announced the setting up of Ramayana Museum and Cultural Center in Barabanki. Through this, the people will be able to have a grand darshan of entire life of Lord Rama. The country's first agro-based solar power plant was set up in Jaipur, Rajasthan. It has been established under PM Kusum scheme. Recently, Viral Desai of Gujarat started a Satyagraha movement against pollution. Under this, he has set a target of planting 2,75,000 trees in next 75 weeks. Next March 2021 देख लेते हैं. Global Bio India 2021. The Union Ministry of Health and Family Welfare has virtually inaugurated the Global Bio India 2021 in New Delhi. दोस्तों, okay. Objective to take India forward in the biotechnology sector at the national and international level. India has set a target of $150 billion in biotechnology manufacturing by 2025. Themes की बात करें, transforming lives, biosciences to bioeconomy. International Yoga Festival inaugurated in the Rishikesh, UP. It was jointly organized by the Uttarakhand Tourism Development Board and Garhwal Mandal Vikas Yojana. चलिए नेक्स्ट देख लेते हैं. द 29th edition of the World Book Fair was organized in the New Delhi, which was inaugurated by the Education Minister Ramesh Pokhriyal. थीम नेशनल एजुकेशन पॉलिसी 2020. दोस्तों, टेक भारत 2021 की बात करें, द यूनियन मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ हेल्थ एंड फैमिली वेलफेयर इनॉग्रेटेड टेक भारत 2021. द मेन ऑब्जेक्टिव इज टू सप्लाई रिसोर्सेज टू द डोमेस्टिक एंड ग्लोबल पार्टिसिपेशन एंड टू प्रमोट द डेवलपमेंट ऑफ इंडस्ट्रीज. Prime Minister Narendra Modi addressed the Jan Aushadhi Divas celebration and also dedicated the 75,000 Jan Aushadhi Kendra, 7,500 Jan Aushadhi Kendra to the nation in Shillong, Meghalaya. And Jan Aushadhi Week is observed on 1st March to the 7th March. The country's first forest healing center was inaugurated at Ranikhet by Research Wing of Uttarakhand Forest Department. The Bihar government has approved the ethanol production promotion policy 2021. Under the ethanol production will be promoted. The Andhra Pradesh government has decided to set up India's first ambulance network for animals. Yeah, that's very, very important. Okay. Next, on the occasion of World TB Day, the Union government has conferred the National Award on Kerala for its TB eradication program. Manipur has been declared as a model state for the implementation of Vandan Yojana launched in October 2019. Prime Minister Narendra Modi launched Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav on 12th March 2021. It is started on 75 weeks ago to commemorate 75 years of independence on 15th August 2022. Odisha has been ranked first among the 112 most polluted places in the country. Okay, and the medical termination of the Pregnancy Amendment Bill 2020 has been passed by the Rajya Sabha in March 2021. Under this, there is a provision to increase the limit of abortion from 20 weeks to 24 weeks. ये पॉइंट वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट है, याद रख लीजिए. अभी जो है लिमिट इंक्रीज कर दी गई है फ्रॉम 20 वीक्स टू 24 वीक्स. द फर्स्ट इंडो कोरियन फ्रेंडशिप पार्क इन इंडिया वॉज इनॉग्रेटेड इन न्यू दिल्ली ऑन 26 मार्च. फ्रूट केक मूवमेंट, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. फ्रूट केक मूवमेंट वॉज लॉन्च बाय द फ्रूट ग्रोवर्स ऑफ कर्नाटक महाराष्ट्र टू प्रमोट द. चलिए दोस्तों आगे बढ़ते हैं. द कंट्री फर्स्ट एयर कंडीशन रेलवे टनल की बात करें, railway terminal has been built in Bangalore named after M. Visvesvaraya. This station will have facility like airport. The Arjun Auxiliary Irrigation Project has been constructed on the Dhasan River in UP, which will be inaugurated by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. About 4 lakh people will get pure drinking water from this project. On March 2nd, Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated 3-day Maritime India Summit. Okay. The partner country was in Denmark. Its objective is to promote business in the maritime sector of India. During this Chabahar Day was organized on 4th March, in which Minister of 6 countries has been participated. Next, February 2021 month, Adi Mahotsav was inaugurated by Vice President M. Venkaiah Naidu at Delhi Haat in New Delhi. In this function, tribal artisan and craftsmen from 20 states will exhibit their arts, craft, food, folk art, etc. It was organized by Ministry of Tribal Affairs. Next, Defence Minister Rajnath Singh inaugurated in the 3-day Asia biggest air show Aero India 2021 in Bangalore on 3rd February. Theme क्या है दोस्तों? Runway to Billion Opportunities. Chauri Chaura centenary celebration were inaugurated at Chauri Chaura by Prime Minister Narendra Modi on 4th February. A contingent of 34 CRPF women personnel has been inducted into Special Commando Force Cobra for the first time. दोस्तों, the 5-day National Horticulture Fair 2021 was organized at Horticulture Research Institute, Bangalore. The rupture of the glacier in the Chamoli, Uttarakhand caused floods in Rishi Ganga and Dholi Ganga rivers. 13.2 megawatt Rishi Ganga small hydroelectric project जो बनाया गया था ऋषि गंगा रिवर के पर और धौली गंगा के पर जो बनाया गया था तपोवन, ये सारा कुछ तबाह हो चुका है. असोम माला scheme was launched by Prime Minister Narendra Modi to improve the district roads and highway in the Assam. Assom Mala. India's first geothermal field development project will be set up at Puga village in Leher district. याद रख लीजिए, फर्स्ट आ गया है तो इम्पॉर्टेंट हो गया. इंडिया फर्स्ट जियोथर्मल फील्ड डेवलपमेंट प्रोजेक्ट. India's first toy fair was held virtually from February 27 to March 2nd. दोस्तों, it was organized by Ministry of Textile with the assistance of the Ministry of Education and the Ministry of Commerce and Industry. India's first Center for Conservation and Management of Wetland was announced to set up in Chennai. Vijayanagara has become the 31st district of Karnataka. It has been carved out of Ballari district. The 11th edition of the Rashtriya Sanskriti Mahotsav was organized by Ministry of Culture and Tourism in the West Bengal. It was inaugurated by the Governor of West Bengal. दोस्तों, Odisha government announced setting up the COVID-19 barrier memorial in Bhubaneswar. Uttar Pradesh became the first state in India to present a paperless budget. Very very important. कौन सा है? यूपी दोस्तों. The Uttar Pradesh government has taken the decision to name the Ayodhya airport as a Maryada Purushottam Sri Ram airport. The construction of India's first undersea tunnel in Mumbai under the Mumbai Coastal Road project will be completed by 2023. Chandigarh became the first Union Territory state to launch the Carbon Watch app. The Chief Minister of Assam laid the foundation stone of Eastern India's first skill university in Darang district. दोस्तों, okay? रामनाथ कोविंद inaugurated the world largest cricket stadium on 24 February in अहमदाबाद, जो कि पहले मोटेरा स्टेडियम था, अभी नरेंद्र मोदी स्टेडियम रख दिया गया है और 1.1 लाख स्पेक्टेटर्स एक ही बार बैठ सकते हैं दोस्तों. The Prime Minister Narendra Modi laid the foundation stone on Maharaja Suheldev Memorial in Bahraich, UP. CM Shivraj Singh Chauhan announced to change the name of Hosangabad in MP to Narmadapuram. India's first gender park, gender museum, was launched in Kozhikode, Kerala. याद रख लीजिए, पहला आ गया है तो इंपॉर्टेंट हो गया. पहला जेंडर पार्क कहाँ पे है? केरला में है. द इंडिया मेट्रोलॉजिकल डिपार्टमेंट हैज अनाउंस इंडियाज अगेन फर्स्ट थंडरस्टॉर्म research test bed in Balasore, Odisha. The country first fully international cruise term Sagarika was inaugurated by Prime Minister Narendra Modi at the port of Kochi. Mission Indradhanush 3.0 with an objective of immunizing in the country by the Union Ministry of हेल्थ एंड फैमिली वेलफेयर. मेन फोकस आपको चिल्ड्रन और प्रेग्नेंट वुमेन पर रखा गया है. सारे लोगों को इम्यूनाइज करेंगे दोस्तों. हैदराबाद सिटी तेलंगाना हैज़ बीन रिकॉग्नाइज्ड एज 2020 ट्री सिटी ऑफ द वर्ल्ड. याद रख लीजिए, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, बाय FAO. आफ्टर द नंबर ऑफ कोरोना वायरस पेशेंट इन अंडमान निकोबार आइलैंड बिकम 0, इट बिकम द फर्स्ट स्टेट यूनियन टेरेटरी दोस्तों. याद रख लीजिए. ओके, नेक्स्ट देख लेते हैं. 25-year-old Aisha Aziz from Jammu Kashmir became the youngest woman pilot in the country. Very important. The Governor of Kerala inaugurated India's first digital university, Kerala University of Digital Sciences, Innovation and Technology. Next, very important month, January 2021. Okay. So, Indian company Bajaj Auto has become the world's most valuable two-wheeler company by crossing 1 lakh crore capitalization. Important. Okay. Next, to improve the water transport in West Bengal, the government of India signed a loan agreement of $105 million with the World Bank to promote the manufacturing of indigenous toys in India. The Union Ministry of Education, Ministry of Women and Child Development jointly launched Toy Khatan 2021 and the Toy Khatan portal. The Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated Kochi-Mangalore natural gas pipeline. ये वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंस के जरिए से इनाग्रेट किया गया है. द गवर्नमेंट ऑफ कर्नाटका हैज़ लॉन्च कृषि संजीवनी वैन दोस्तों इन द स्टेट टू फैसिलिटेट लैबोरेटरी अवेलेबिलिटी, सॉइल फर्टिलिटी, फार्मिंग टेक्निक्स इन द एग्रीकल्चर सेक्टर. प्राइम मिनिस्टर नरेंद्र मोदी फ्लैग्ड ऑफ द वर्ल्ड फर्स्ट डबल स्टैक लॉन्ग हॉल कंटेनर ट्रेन. ये 1.5 किलोमीटर लॉन्ग ट्रेन है दोस्तों, जो फ्रॉम न्यू अटेली टू न्यू किसानगढ़ जाएगी. इंडियाज़ फर्स्ट इथेनॉल प्लांट will be set up in Chhattisgarh. This will help in the farmers in timely payment of sugarcane price and full utilization of the capacity of the sugar factories. The Prime Minister Narendra Modi chaired 34th Pragati meeting दोस्तों. Okay, during this he renewed project worth 1 lakh crore in 10 state and union territories. Pragati is an information and communication technology. Jhansi railway station located in UP has been renamed as Virangana Maharani Lakshmibai railway station. याद रख लीजिए. The government of Tamil Nadu has launched Mayiladuthurai as a 38th district of Tamil Nadu. Indian Railway has launched the world first hospital, the Lifeline Express. Very important. Okay, through this trend, people in the rural areas also able to get the benefits of hospital-related services. The West Bengal government has announced to celebrate the birth anniversary of Subhash Chandra Bose on 23rd January as Desh Nayak Divas. दोस्तों यहाँ देख लीजिए. Okay, देश नायक दिवस और पराक्रमम दिवस भी सेलिब्रेट किया जाता है. The first Khelo India Sports School of Northeastern State was inaugurated in Shillong, okay, capital of Meghalaya. It was named as Assam Rifles Public School. The world largest floating solar power project will be constructed Omkareshwar Dam. कहाँ पे है ये? नर्मदा रिवर पे. इसकी कैपेसिटी कितनी होगी? 600 megawatts. The country first Buddhist theme park has been built in Sanchi, Madhya Pradesh. Complete information about the life of Lord Buddha will be available in this park. The country's first fire park has been started in Bhubaneswar, Odisha. Very important. Okay. The country first sky park will set up in Kufri हिमाचल प्रदेश, दिस इज़ ऑल्सो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, ओके, ताकि टूरिज्म को प्रमोट कर पाए। ऑन द जनवरी 1, 2021 प्राइम मिनिस्टर नरेंद्र मोदी लॉन्च द लाइट हाउस प्रोजेक्ट इन 6 स्टेट्स, याद रख लीजिए 6 स्टेट में लॉन्च किया गया है। ओके, द जियोलॉजिकल सर्वे ऑफ इंडिया हैज़ डिस्कवर्ड वैनाडियम डिपॉजिट इन पापुम-पारे डिस्ट्रिक्ट ऑफ अरुणाचल प्रदेश। वैनाडियम के कई सारे डिपॉजिट मिले हमको, कहाँ पे? पापुम-पारे डिस्ट्रिक्ट ऑफ अरुणाचल प्रदेश। Okay, next on 16th January, Prime Minister Narendra Modi launched the COVID-19 vaccination campaign through video conference. Under this, 3 crore people will vaccinate in the first phase. The government of India has announced a new foreign trade policy 2021 to 26 that came into effect on 1st April 2021. Gujarat government has announced a new tourism policy. Earlier, Gujarat had also announced new solar energy policy. Next very important question. India's first air taxi service चंडीगढ़ से और हिसार रोड के बीच में लगाया गया है दोस्तों। Ministry of Railway has launched Iron Ore Policy 2021 to meet the freight related requirements iron ore customers. Highlights of Republic Day 2021 देख लेते हैं। 72nd रिपब्लिक डे, नो स्पेशल गेस्ट, यहाँ पे कोई भी बुलाया नहीं गया है। एक्चुअली इंग्लैंड के प्राइम मिनिस्टर आने वाले थे, ब्रिटेन के बोरिस जॉनसन जी, बट नहीं आ पाए। ITBP जवान सेलिब्रेटेड रिपब्लिक डे ऑन द altitude of 17,000 feet. The tableau of Ladakh included for the first time. Okay, अंडमान निकोबार कमांड ऑर्गेनाइज सर्मोनियल पैरेड इन पोर्ट ब्लेयर। बांग्लादेश मिलिट्री भी पार्टिसिपेट हुई थी इसमें, और एक चांस फॉर भावना कंज जी को चांस दिया गया कि फाइटर प्लेन उड़ा पाएँ। डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन ऑफ राफेल फाइटर एयरक्राफ्ट दिखाया गया, और इस बार जो है यूपी का टैब्लो वॉन द बेस्ट टैब्लो अवार्ड इन रिपब्लिक डे। क्या आप मुझे बता सकते हैं इस बार 2022 में रिसेंटली जब रिपब्लिक डे हुआ था तो बेस्ट टैब्लो अवार्ड किसे गया था दोस्तों? दैट इज़ ए क्वेश्चन फॉर यू। ओके, ये भी मैंने आपको पढ़ाया था। तो चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं, नेक्स्ट देख लेते हैं। द सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट हैज़ अनाउंस टू ऑब्जर्व 23 जनवरी एज ए पराक्रम दिवस ऑन द ओकेजन ऑफ बर्थ एनिवर्सरी ऑफ नेताजी सुभाष चंद्र बोस। भारत अर्थ मूवर्स लिमिटेड बैंगलोर हैज़ डेवलप ए इंडियाज़ फर्स्ट इंडिजिनस ड्राइवरलेस मेट्रो। ये कहाँ पे, कौन इनाग्रेट किया था? हमारे डिफेंस मिनिस्टर राजनाथ जी ने इनाग्रेट किया था दोस्तों। रैटल हाइड्रो इलेक्ट्रिक प्रोजेक्ट ऑन द चिनाब रिवर इन किश्तवाड़ डिस्ट्रिक्ट ऑफ जम्मू एंड कश्मीर वाज कमीशन। इट हैज़ अ कैपेसिटी ऑफ 850 मेगावाट। Indian company Airtel announced setting up 5G ready network in Hyderabad to operate 5G services. On the occasion of National Girl Child Day, 19-year-old girl student Shrishti Goswami in Uttarakhand was made a chief minister for a day. Okay. The Ministry of Railway has announced to change the name of the Howrah Kalka Mail Trail as a Netaji Express. ये very important है दोस्तों। The Uttarakhand government has announced to increase the number of working day from 100 to 150 days under Mahatma Gandhi National Employment Guarantee Program. The Southeast Central Railway has launched the longest goods train Vasukhi, याद रख लीजिए, in the Chhattisgarh. The Gujarat government has changed the name of the dragon fruit to Kamalam, याद रख लीजिए। 3,300 meters long airstrips have been constructed on Purvanchal Express Highway of UP. Meghalaya CM inaugurated India's longest road, Arc Bridge in Khasi. India's first labour movement museum is to open in Alappuzha, Kerala. This museum will display the history of labour movements of the world. The Union Minister of Commerce and Industry Piyush Goyal inaugurated Prarambh Startup India International Summit दोस्तों। The central government has launched Pradhan Mantri Kaushal Vikas Yojana 3.0 in January 2021. Under this, 8 lakh candidates will be given COVID-19 related training for next 3 months. The Union Education Minister inaugurated the 2-day international conference EdCon 2020, and through this efforts will be made to promote high quality education in India. On 31st January, Union Textile Minister Smriti Irani has inaugurated the 8th International Crafts Fair, which will continue till 4th February. It is the largest silk fair in India, दोस्तों। Okay. Next, Steel Authority of India has announced setting up the country's first gas to ethanol plant at Chandrapur in Maharashtra. Okay. Next देख लेते हैं। भारत पर्व 2021 was organized by the Union Ministry of Tourism from 21st to 31st January last year. India's largest multimodal logistic park कहाँ पे बनाया गया है? Very very important question. अहमदाबाद में बनाया गया है दोस्तों, याद रख लीजिए। राजस्थान पुलिस अकादमी has been adjudged the best police academy as per the Union Home Ministry report on 2019 to 2020. Okay. So this is the national events which we have covered recently from October to January. Okay. Again I am repeating दोस्तों कि यहाँ पे नवंबर और दिसंबर मिसिंग है यहाँ पे, क्योंकि मैगजीन ही इसी तरह इसको पब्लिश किया गया है। सो इन केस इन फ्यूचर इफ अपडेटेड मैगजीन विल पब्लिश अगेन आई विल ब्रिंग ए लेक्चर ऑन दिस। ओके, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। नेक्स्ट वी हैव मेजर इंटरनेशनल इवेंट्स। सो अगेन October 2021 फ्रॉम बैक साइड वी आर गोइंग टू January. सो वर्ल्ड एक्सपो 2020 हेल्ड इन दुबई UAE 1st October 2021 to 31st March 2022। अभी तक ये चल रहा है अभी। ओके, मार्च तक चले गए। थीम इज कनेक्टिंग माइंड्स क्रिएटिंग द फ्यूचर। Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated the Indian Pavilion at the Dubai Expo with the theme Openness, Opportunity and Growth. Okay. For the first time in the world, Russian actor Yulia Peresild and the film director Klim Shapenko went to the space on the International Space Station to shoot the movie that is called Challenge. The government of Sri Lanka declared an economic emergency to stabilize the rapidly depleting foreign exchange reserve, rising food prices in the country. World University Ranking 2022 की बात करें, which is issued by Times Higher Education, first place is Oxford and IISc Bangalore is the only Indian university which got the place at 350. Okay. Prime Minister Narendra Modi addressed the 6th Eastern Economic Forum Summit 2021 held in Vladivostok, Russia. The Chinese government has implemented new rules regarding online games. Under this, children below 18 years of age can play online games for only 3 hours a week. The UAE, Bangladesh and Uruguay joined the new members of the NDB दोस्तों. The founding member of the NDB were BRICS, जो BRICS countries आप सभी लोग जानते हैं ना, वो founding member है. Recently, Cuba has become the first country in the world to introduce corona vaccine for 2-year kids. Very, very important. A new maritime road rail link has been opened to connect China's Chengdu city with Yangon in Myanmar and reach the Indian Ocean. It is the first trade corridor connecting Western China and Indian Ocean. Next, September 2021 questions देख लेते हैं. India hosted the Conference on International Climate Summit 2021 on 3rd September. Okay, and 13th BRICS Summit हुआ था जो कि 9 सितंबर को वर्चुअली करे थे and which was chaired by हमारे प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी. इस बार की जो थीम है BRICS at the 15 इंट्रा ब्रिक्स कोऑपरेशन for community consolidation and consensus. So mainly discuss on 4 things: reform of multilateral system, terrorism, digital technology and people-to-people connectivity. The first ever 2+2 ministerial dialogue between India and Australia has been held, okay, between defense and foreign ministry. इससे पहले हमारे 2+2 डायलॉग यूएसए के साथ थे और जापान के साथ थे दोस्तों. Okay. Next, England has recently become the first country in the world to mandate the installation of electric vehicle chargers in all newly built homes. Okay. The world's largest plant to absorb CO2 from the air has been installed in Iceland. The plant will absorb 4,000 tons of CO2 per year and convert this collected CO2 into rock. And the name of this plant is Orca plant. Very, very important. Orca plant. Okay. Next, India and Denmark launched a center of excellence on the offshore wind to enhance cooperation in the field of renewable energy and green energy. And India will host G20 summit in the year 2023. Union Ministry of Commerce and Industry Piyush Goyal has been appointed as Sherpa of India for G20. याद रखिए किसको अपॉइंट किया गया था? पीयूष गोयल जी को. El Salvador has become the first country in the world to grant official currency status to cryptocurrency Bitcoin. The IUCN World Conservation Congress 2020 was held in Marseille, France from 3rd to 11th September 2021. It organized once in 4 years. India and US launched the Climate Action and Finance Mobilization Dialogue to enhance the cooperation in the field of climate and environment. The list of 100 most influential people of 2021 was released by Times Magazine of America. इसमें देखेंगे तो प्राइम मिनिस्टर नरेंद्र मोदी हैं, ममता बनर्जी हैं और आधार पूनावाला है. The USA, UK and Australia announced a new trilateral partnership AUKUS, that is Australia, that is this one UK and this one is US, okay, to enhance the cooperation in the Indo-Pacific region. The World Bank Group has decided to stop publishing the Ease of Doing Business report, which is released annually because so many errors they are finding out, and even India का रैंक भी इन्होंने गलत दिखाया था last time. On 17 September 2021, the meeting of the heads of the State of Shanghai Cooperation was held in Dushanbe, capital of Tajikistan. याद रखिए, Dushanbe. It was chaired by President of Tajikistan, Emomali Rahman. From our India, S. Jaishankar and our Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji has been represented India virtually. A bronze statue of Satoshi Nakamoto, the founder of digital currency Bitcoin, was unveiled in Budapest. Yeah, that is not El Salvador, it's in Budapest, the Hungarian capital. Recently, UNESCO declared Mura-Drava Danube as the world's first 5-country biosphere reserve. ये कहाँ पे है आपको? ऑस्ट्रिया में है, क्रोशिया, हंगरी, सर्बिया एंड स्लोविया. तो इस चारों इसमें फैला हुआ है. इट इज़ कॉल्ड अमेजॉन ऑफ यूरोप. डिजिटल क्वालिटी लाइफ इंडेक्स बात कर लेते हैं. रिलीज बाय साइबर सिक्योरिटी एंड कंपनी सर्फशार्क. फर्स्ट प्लेस इज डेनमार्क एंड इंडिया ऑफ रैंक इज ओके. इंडिया का रैंक जो 59th, याद रखिए, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. डिजिटल क्वालिटी लाइफ इंडेक्स इंडिया रैंक इज 59th. नेक्स्ट, फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम ऑन 24th September, the summit of leaders of Quad member countries was held in Washington, which was hosted by US President Joe Biden at the White House. During the conference, Quad members India, America, Australia, Japan discussed the promoting peace and development in the Indo-Pacific region. Prime Minister Narendra Modi addressed the 76th session of United Nations General Assembly in New York on 25th September 2021. याद रख लीजिए कौन सा सेशन था ये, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, 76th. Recently, India was elected as an external auditor for IAEA, that is International Atomic Energy Agency, फ्रॉम 2022 यानी दिस ईयर से लेकर 2027, वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. Iceland has elected the world's first female majority parliament. Women won 30 of the 63 seats in the election. This is also important. Next, August 2021, Ministry of State for Culture Meenakshi Lekhi from India participated in the G20 Cultural Minister meeting held under the chairmanship of Italy. 7 Indian countries were included in recently released list Fortune Global 500 companies for 2021. Okay. Pakistani mountaineer Shahroz Kashif has become the youngest person to climb the world's second highest peak, K2. Very important, Shahroz Kashif. The world's largest Tara Sapphire group has been found in Ratnapura, Sri Lanka. It's a precious stone which is light blue in color. Recently, Thailand has banned sunscreen containing chemicals that harm coal. And Global Education Summit 2021 organized in London with the aim of promoting global education. Under this, a target has been set to raise an amount of $5 billion for education. Recently, a case of Marburg virus report हुआ था गिनिया में. Okay, and this is also virus spread from bats to the people like Nipah virus. Okay, recently a meeting of tourism minister of IPSA यानी India, Brazil, South Africa was held virtually. Okay, from our India side, our tourism minister G Kishan Reddy has been chaired this meeting. Recently the meeting of the agriculture ministry of Shanghai cooperation was held, which was chaired by Tajikistan. Okay. इससे पहले दुशांबे में हुई थी दोस्तों. फिर उसके बाद एग्रीकल्चर के मिनिस्टर्स जो हुए थे ना, वो तजाकिस्तान में हुई थी दोस्तों. The World Health Organization has formed an international scientific advisory group called SAGO. क्या नाम है उसका? SAGO. To study the evolution of disease that may arise in future. Very important. आने वाले एग्जाम में पूछ सकते हैं. What is a group? SAGO. Okay. चलिए, महात्मा गांधी will be posthumously awarded the prestigious US Congress gold medal for promoting peace and non-violence. Okay. According to the report released by the British company House Press, China's Hotan city was declared as most polluted city in the world. Which city? Hotan. नेक्स्ट गाजियाबाद का यूपी देखेंगे तो वो सेकंड मोस्ट पोल्यूटेड सिटी है. रिसेंटली ए मीटिंग ऑफ इंडस्ट्री कैपिटल ऑफ ब्रिक्स कंट्रीज वाज हेल्ड फ्रॉम इंडियन साइड. इट वाज चेयर्ड बाय कॉमर्स मिनिस्टर पीयूष गोयल. अगर कैपिटल की बात करें तो दिल्ली विल बी द मोस्ट पोल्यूटेड कैपिटल. ओके. नेक्स्ट, रिसेंटली इंडिया लॉन्च ए प्लेटफॉर्म नेट यूनाइट अवेयर फॉर द प्रोटेक्शन ऑफ पीस कीपर्स वर्किंग अराउंड द वर्ल्ड इन कोलैबोरेशन विद द यूनाइटेड नेशंस. वर्ल्ड वाटर वीक 2021 was observed by Stockholm International Water Institute from 23rd August to the 27th August. The theme of this World Water Week will be Building Resilience Faster. याद रख लीजिए. It aims to address the global water issues and conservation concern. Next देख लेते हैं. Sweden has become the first country in the world to produce green steel or fossil-free steel. It has been manufactured by using hydrogen breakthrough iron making technology using coal. It is first delivered to the Volvo Group दोस्तों. सेफ सिटी इंडेक्स 2021 की बात करें, रिलीज बाय इकोनॉमिक इंटेलिजेंस यूनिट. ओके. एंड द फर्स्ट प्लेस इज कोपेनहेगन. इंडिया 2 सिटीज़ न्यू दिल्ली आर एट 48 पे है. एक मुंबई भी है दोस्तों 50 पोजीशन पे. याद रख लीजिए, सेफ सिटी इंडेक्स में कोपेनहेगन इज अ फर्स्ट प्लेस एंड रिलीज बाय इकोनॉमिक इंटेलिजेंस यूनिट. नेक्स्ट, ग्लोबल मैन्युफैक्चरिंग इंडेक्स, दैट इज ऑल्सो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. फर्स्ट प्लेस इज चाइना एंड सेकेंड प्लेस इज इंडिया. ओके. Next, issued by US-based property advisor Cushman at Wakefield. The world's tallest and largest observation wheel is being built in UAE. It is located in Blue Water Island, in which is 250 meters high. For the first time, G20 Ministerial Conference on Women Empowerment has organized in Italy. Union Women and Child Development Minister Smita Irani ji has been participated. India and Maldives has signed a Greater Malay Connectivity Project Agreement. India has provided $100 million in the grant and $400 million in line of credit. याद रख लीजिए, ग्रांट भी दिया है हमने, लाइन ऑफ क्रेडिट भी दिया है. दिस इज इंडियाज बिगेस्ट प्रोजेक्ट इन मालदीव्स. An emergency meeting of G7 leaders was held on 24th August 2021 to discuss the Taliban crisis in Afghanistan, and it was chaired by British Prime Minister Boris Johnson. Okay. Next, the Children's Climate Risk Index की बात करें, released by UNICEF. Children affected by the climate change के बारे में बताता है. Most affected countries are Central African Republic. Okay, second place is Chad and Nigeria. Safest country is Iceland, and India rank is 26 दोस्तों. Next is July 2021 Global Cyber Security Index, that is also very important. Okay, issued by International Telecommunication Union. India rank is 10th, and first place is America. Recently, WHO granted malaria-free certification to China, who has granted malaria-free 40 countries. दोस्तों याद रख लीजिए. CoWIN Global Conclave was organized virtually and globally in the 2021, which was addressed by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Okay, it aims to expand the vaccination through CoWIN platform. The 52nd International Film Festival will head in Goa in November 2021. Okay, this year on board the centenary of Satyajit Ray, will lifetime achievement award will be given. The world tallest and castle has been sand castle has been built in Denmark, doston, which was recorded in the Guinness World Record. Its height is 21.16 meters. The meeting of the finance minister and governors of central bank of the third G20 countries कहाँ पे हुआ था? इटाली में हुआ था दोस्तों. हमारे फाइनेंस मिनिस्टर निर्मला सीतारामन जी और आरबीआई के गवर्नर पार्टिसिपेट किए थे. Recently, Nepal signed a $1.3 billion agreement with India for construction of Lower Arun hydroelectric project. India's External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar unveiled a statue of Mahatma Gandhi in Tbilisi Park during his two-day visit to Georgia. The Union Minister Nirmala Sitharaman launched a digital payment Bhim UPI in Bhutan. This will benefit businessmen tourism visiting Bhutan as well as promote cooperation between the two countries. चलिए दोस्तों नेक्स्ट देख लेते हैं. In July 2021, a meeting of G20 environment minister was held under the chairmanship of Italy. India was represented by Union Environment Minister भूपेंद्र यादव जी. याद रख लीजिए कहाँ पे हुआ था? इटाली में हुआ था दोस्तों. G20 Environment Minister. The World Food Security and Nutrition Status Report 2021 की बात करें. This report was jointly released by FAO, WFP, WHO, UNICEF and IFAD. In 2020, 720 to 811 million people in the world are facing hunger and 116 million more than in 2019. मोस्ट हंगरी पॉपुलेशन कहाँ पे मिलेंगे आपको? एशिया में मिलेंगे दोस्तों. एंड वर्ल्ड लार्जेस्ट फ्लोटिंग सोलर पैनल फॉर्म अनवील्ड इन सिंगापुर. द प्रोजेक्ट विल लीड टू द कंस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ 60 megawatt solar photovoltaic farm. Singapore has set a target to quadruple the solar power generation by 2025. Jeff Bezos, the owner of the Blue Origin company, made the first successful voyage to space through his rocket New Shepard. 4 people were involved in this journey. The oldest person was Wally Fung and the youngest student was Oliver Damon. The world's first 3D printed steel bridge was being built in Amsterdam, Netherlands. The bridge has been developed by Dutch robotics company. याद रख लीजिए. The Philippines became the first country in the world to allow commercial cultivation of golden rice, a genetically modified form of rice. The Central and South Asian Summit 2021 was organized in Tashkent. Very, very important. Okay, in this conference, our External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar participated in. A meeting of Defense Minister of SCO countries was held in Dushanbe, okay, in Tajikistan. Several cases of spread of norovirus has been reported in United Kingdom. The virus is spread by coming in contact with the infected person by eating contaminated food or water. The city of Liverpool, located in England, has been removed from the list of World Heritage Site by UNESCO, and Liverpool was included in the World Heritage list in 2004 because of its major trading center and maritime history. The Worldwide Fund for Nature declared 29 July as a Earth Overshoot Day for 2021. For the first time in China, a case of death of a person due to monkey bee virus was reported. दोस्तों याद रख लीजिए, very important है. And Rashmi Ranjan Das has been elected as a member of the United Nations Tax Committee for the period from 2021 to 2025. Indian Army Chief Manoj Mukund Narawane inaugurated the Indian Army Memorial in the Italian city of Cassino. This memorial has been built in the memory of soldiers who died in the Second World War. Okay. नेक्स्ट देख लेते हैं. बांग्लादेश विल लॉन्च इट्स ओन सोशल मीडिया प्लेटफॉर्म नेम जोगाजोग इंस्टेड ऑफ फेसबुक. एट द सेम टाइम इंस्टेड ऑफ व्हाट्सएप दे हैव लॉन्च अलापेन. Okay, will be launched. Cuba has developed a world first conjugate COVID-19 vaccine named Soberana 2 दोस्तों. Bangladesh will launch its own social media platform. अभी हमें पड़ा जोगाजोग और अलापन instead of WhatsApp. China launched the world largest carbon trading system to reduce the carbon emission in its country. The UAE became the first Gulf country to set up an embassy in Israel. Very, very important. नेक्स्ट जून की बात करें, तुर्कमेनिस्तान कैपिटल अशकाबाद वाज डिक्लेयर द वर्ल्ड्स मोस्ट एक्सपेंसिव सिटी फॉर द फॉरेन वर्कर्स इन द कॉस्ट ऑफ लिविंग सर्वे 2021 जब रिलीज़ किया गया था. जापान प्रोवाइडेड $10 million in aid to build a cold chain facility for vaccine storage in India. Next, to strengthen the tax administration in Bhutan, India and Bhutan have jointly launched the Tax Inspector Without Borders. According to the recent report released by Natural History Museum in London, Colombia has the most important species of butterflies. India industrialist and Tata Group founder Jamshed Tataji has topped the list of top philanthropists of the century in the world. Okay, and WHO has identified a new variant of corona which has been named Lambda. In its origins believed to be from South America. Very important. According to Global Investment Report 2021 released by UNCTAD, India was the fifth largest recipient of the foreign direct investment. The world's third largest diamond has been discovered by Debswana Diamond Company at the Juang mine in Botswana. Okay. Recently, the Green Hydrogen Summit of BRICS country was held, which was hosted by NTPC Limited on the behalf of India. So, idea was shared on promoting the production of green hydrogen in this program. Japan has decided to issue a COVID-19 vaccine passport to travelers from this country so that tourism and travel can abroad can be resumed. Okay. नेक्स्ट देख लेते हैं। जर्मन कंपनी बेयर हैज़ लॉन्च इज फर्स्ट येलो वाटरमेलन वेराइटी नेम्ड येलो गोल्ड 48 दोस्तों अंडर द सेमिनिस ब्रांड इन इंडिया। द वर्ल्ड हेल्थ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन हैज़ नेम्ड 2 वेरिएंट्स ऑफ कोरोना आइडेंटिफाइड इन इंडिया विच हैव बीन नेम्ड कप्पा एंड डेल्टा। अब सभी लोगों को पता है। सो वेरिएंट नेम फाउंड इन अदर कंट्रीज, यूके में अल्फा पाया गया, साउथ अफ्रीका में बीटा पाया गया, ब्राज़ील में गामा पाया गया दोस्तों। On June 2nd, a meeting of foreign minister of the BRICS countries was held virtually, which was chaired by External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar. Mission Innovation 2.0 jointly launched by 23 countries including India, the aim of which is to increase the use of global clean energy in the decade and emphasize the implementation of the Paris Agreement. दोस्तों, the Russian government has decided to withdraw from the Open Sky Treaty. Earlier, US ने भी अनाउंस किया था ये भी विड्रॉ करने वाले हैं. Recently, the Danish government has approved the construction of the artificial island Length Long. To eliminate each country limit on employment-based immigrant visas, legislation was introduced in the US for house called Eagle Act. Okay. Red tourism की बात करें, red tourism is being promoted in China on the occasion of 100th anniversary of the Communist Party. दोस्तों याद रख लीजिए red tourism. Next, the first case of H1N3 bird flu detected in human has been reported in Jiangsu province of China. China का Zhang Hong has become the first blind climber in Asia to scale Mount Everest. Next, Google plans to build the world's longest undersea cable. This cable has been named Fermina. It will connect the US and Argentina. The 47th G7 summit was held virtually from 12 to 13 June, which was chaired by British Prime Minister Boris Johnson. The Prime Minister Narendra Modi has also addressed the outreach of the session of summit. During the Prime Minister Narendra Modi gave the mantra of One Earth and One Health. थीम क्या थी? बिल्डिंग बैक बेटर, और इसको जर्मनी प्रेसिडेंट करने वाला है इन द ईयर 2022 दोस्तों याद रख लीजिए। इंडिया हैज़ बिन elected as a president of Economic and Social Council of the United Nations for the period of 2022 to 2024. Next, from June 15, Israeli government has abolished the rule of applying mask. The Israel has become the world first mask-free country during Corona period. And UNCCD की बात करें, COP14 was held virtually on 15th June 2021. It was chaired by Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi. The conference was organized by President of the 75th session of United Nations General Assembly. Next, May 2021 की बात करें, द यूनाइटेड किंगडम बिकम द फर्स्ट कंट्री टू अलाउ सेल्फ ड्राइविंग कार्स एट स्लो स्पीड ऑन मोटरवेज, याद रख लीजिए। ओके। नेक्स्ट, इंडिया रशिया अग्री टू एस्टैब्लिश 2+2 मिनिस्टर लेवल डायलॉग मैकेनिज्म। रशिया बिकम द 4th कंट्री विच इज़ फर्स्ट नॉन क्वाड कंट्री भी दोस्तों, क्योंकि एक क्वाड कंट्री के साथ तो हमारे 2+2 डायलॉग चलते आ रहे हैं। इनफैक्ट हमने ऑस्ट्रेलिया से भी किया है। Strato launch successfully completed first test of the world's largest airplane. It is designed for the transportation of hypersonic vehicles. The world's longest pedestrian suspension bridge, Aroca, was inaugurated in Portugal, याद रख लीजिए, and whose length is 516 meters and height is 175 meters. The first trilateral foreign minister level meeting of India, France, Australia was held in London. Okay. And Democratic Republic of Congo declared the end of the Ebola outbreak. The virus was first discovered in 1976 near the Ebola River. The first meeting of the BRICS Employment Working Group was held virtually on 11 to 12 May, और इसको चेयर करने वाले हमारे लेबर सेक्रेटरी अपूर्वा चंद्रा जी थे। नेपालिस माउंटेनियर कामी रीता शर्मा broke her own record by climbing the world highest peak Mount Everest for 25th time, याद रख लीजिए। The third Arctic Science Ministerial meeting was organized by Iceland and Japan, in which India also participated. This is the first ministerial level meeting held in Asia. Earlier ASM2 was conducted in Germany और ASM1 2016 में USA में हुआ था दोस्तों। ओके। और इंडिया का ऑब्जर्वर स्टेटस है। P4G समिट, पार्टनर फॉर ग्रीन ग्रोथ एंड ग्लोबल गोल्स 2030। ये समिट 2021 का है। ये ऑर्गेनाइज हुआ था साउथ कोरिया में दोस्तों। इन द ईयर 2021 May 10 was declared as UN by the UN as International Day of Argentina. Argan tree is found in the sub-Saharan region of Morocco. ओके। दो इंपॉर्टेंट न्यूज़ है। May 10 को इंटरनेशनल डे ऑफ अर्जेंटीना मनाया जाएगा और अर्गान ट्री मोरक्को में पाया गया है दोस्तों। Next, recently China has approved the third child policy under which its couple is allowed to have a maximum 3 children. And global G20 health summit was organized through video conferencing due to corona epidemic दोस्तों, which was co-hosted by Italian European Commission. Important. Recently, volcanic eruption occurred at Mount Nyiragongo in the Republic of Congo, due to which the city of Goma had to be evacuated. This is also very important. Zhang Yanghong, a 45-year-old mountaineer from Hong Kong, holds the record for fastest Everest climb in the world. याद रख लीजिए। Dr. Harshvardhan chaired 74th World Health Assembly. Okay, and recently Nepal President Bindya Devi Bhandari has dissolved the parliament as a Nepal Prime Minister, and KP Sharma Oli failed to prove the majority. Next, April 2021 की बात कर लेते हैं। Russia manufactured the world first corona vaccine for the animals, which was named as Carnivac Cov. Okay, important. And UAE nominated 2 astronauts for the space mission, with Nora Al Matrushi being the UAE first female astronaut. याद रख लीजिए, this is also important. Nora Al Matrushi. Singapore has become the first country in the world to implement the Free Trade Agreement (RCP) दोस्तों. And recently there was a fire incident in the Table Mountain National Park in Cape Town, South Africa. It is a major tourist site in UNESCO World Heritage Site. Sanskrit learning app Little Guru was launched in Bangladesh by Indira Gandhi Cultural Center of India, which makes Sanskrit easy and enjoyable. Okay. New Zealand became the first country in the world to enact climate change legislation to finance institution. France has recently approved a bill making ecocide a crime. Under this, there is a provision of punishment for harming the environment. A 3,000-year-old lost golden city has been discovered in Egypt. This city was buried under in the sand in Egypt, which has been discovered by Egyptian archaeologists. Recently, the IUCN has declared the Himalayan trillium plant as a endangered. याद रख लीजिए. It's a herb plant found in the Himalayan region. Okay. Next. The IUCN has listed the rhino found in the island of Sumatra as a critically endangered. 2025 initiative, WHO has selected 25 countries where the malaria eradication capacity will increase by the year 2025. The Climate City was hosted virtually by the US on 22-29 April 2021, which in leaders of 40 countries participated. Clear? Recently, the United Kingdom announced the creation of new digital countries. क्या नाम है इसका? Bitcoin नहीं, Britcoin है. On 6th April 2021, the first meeting of finance minister of BRICS countries and governors of central banks was held virtually, which was hosted by India. Recently, No Ban Act bill was passed in the US House that limits has a right to ban region-based travel. Next, March 2021 की बात करें, Australia has announced the creation of the world's first platypus sanctuary to promote reproductive rehabilitation of the platypus and prevent extinction. The United Nations General Assembly has adopted the resolution of India and declared the year 2023 as a International Year of Millets. याद रख लीजिए. Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated the Maitri Setu bridge between India and Bangladesh. It will connect Tripura with Chittagong. Okay. The Quad Summit has held virtually for the first time on 12 March 2021 and 4 member countries जो कि इंडिया, जापान, ऑस्ट्रेलिया, अमेरिका ने पार्टिसिपेट किया था दोस्तों. The National Institute of Oceanography will start first genome mapping project in India Ocean. The world largest floating solar farm कहाँ पे बनाया गया? सिंगापुर, ऑलरेडी हमने पढ़ लिया. And El Salvador has been declared as malaria free by the WHO and even China also malaria free. The 6th meeting of the India, Brazil, South Africa, IPSA Women's Forum was held virtually, which is chaired by Women and Child Development India. Okay. Next, the world first ship tunnel will built in Norway, very very important, and its construction will start in 2022. ये 1.7 kilometer long रहेगा. Earth Hour Day was celebrated by the World Wide Fund for Nature on 27 March 2021. The US has overtaken Saudi Arabia to become the India's second largest oil supplier. Iraq is India's top oil supplier country. Very, very important. The International Union for Conservation of Nature has notified the African elephant in the red list of the IUCN, दोस्तों. Okay, to prevent the threat posed to it. The permanent Indus mission meeting between India and Pakistan on the Indus Water Treaty was held in New Delhi on 23rd to 24th March. Recently, the Suez Canal got blocked due to large cargo ship, दोस्तों. The Suez Canal is a man-made waterway connecting the Red Sea to the Mediterranean Sea. More than 12% of the world's trade takes place through this waterway. The ship is container ship of Taiwanese company Evergreen Marine, which is 400 meters long. Italy has joined International Solar Alliance, दोस्तों. Presently, more than 90 countries are included in ISA. Russia has installed a telescope named Baikal GVD in Lake Baikal. The telescope will search for the neutrinos, or Lake Baikal is the deepest lake in the world. Okay? Important. Heart of Asia Conference. This ministerial level conference was organized on 30 March in Dushanbe, the capital of Tajikistan. In this, External Affairs Ministry of India S. Jaishankar also participated. It is a regional initiative for the security and cooperation in Afghanistan. Prime Minister Narendra Modi visited Bangladesh on 26 March 2021 to mark the 50th anniversary of Bangladesh independence and centenary celebration of Sheikh Mujibur Rahman. For the first time after corona epidemic, Narendra Modi went on visit to neighboring country. Dubai International Airport has become the world's first smart reading airport. Under this, passenger will get free access to more than 7,000 magazine, comics and newspapers. Indian company Primas Biotech and Israeli company Oramd have jointly manufactured the oral vaccine of the coronavirus. Okay, and ये पिल की तरह आप यूज़ कर सकते हैं दोस्तों. China has approved the construction of world largest dam project on Brahmaputra river. उसको यांगजू जाम्बो रिवर भी कहा जाता है दोस्तों चाइना में. इट इज़ अ रन ऑफ रिवर हाइड्रो प्रोजेक्ट विद अ कैपेसिटी ऑफ 60 गीगावाट. नेक्स्ट February month, The UAE has launched a new citizenship policy to attract the talented people to promote development in the country. It is also aimed at attracting investment. Oxford University has named Atmanirbharta as a Hindi Word of the Year for the year 2020. Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated 20th World Sustainable Development Summit 2021 through video conferencing. Theme आके redefining our common future, safe and secure. India and Afghanistan signed an MOU for the construction of Mulberry Dam on the Maiden River, that is a tributary of the Kabul River in Afghanistan. US President Joe Biden has again decided to join the United Nations Human Rights Council. Following the Syria assistance request, the government of India gifted 2,000 metric tons of rice. दोस्तों, Saudi Arabia allows women to enter the armed forces. Mauritius became the first African country with which India has signed CECPA, that is Comprehensive Economic Cooperation and Partnership Agreement. Very, very important question. Okay. Ghana became the first country to receive the free COVID vaccine under the WHO-led COVAX scheme. According to the announcement of Chinese President Xi Jinping, China has achieved a goal of poverty alleviation by removing 770 million of poverty in the last 4 decades. The Danish government has approved the construction of world's first energy island in the North Sea. The United Nations World Tourism Organization has declared in the year 2020 as a worst year on the record. Next, January 2020 है, actually 2021 है दोस्तों, not 20, it's 2021. India's 2-year term as a non-permanent member country in the United Nations Security Council has begun from January 1st, 2021. Okay, and India has joined UNSC for the 8th time as a non-permanent member. Clear? Next, the US Parliament has passed Malala Yousafzai Scholarship Act. This will increase the number of scholarships to motivate Pakistani women to pursue the higher education. Elon Musk has topped the list of world 500 richest people for the Bloomberg Billionaires Index 2021. Elon Musk is a founder of private space agency. The World Health Organization is building a global stockpile of Ebola vaccine in Switzerland. याद रख लीजिए. To prevent the Ebola outbreak, it will make a emergency supplies of vaccine to the various countries. दोस्तों, Saudi Arabia has announced the construction of cities that named The Line, spread over 170 kilometers under the NEOM project. And world most trafficked city according to TomTom traffic indexes, Moscow. याद रख लीजिए, मॉस्को में आपको सबसे ज़्यादा ट्रैफिक मिलेगी, इसीलिए उसको मोस्ट ट्रैफिक्ड सिटी कहा जाता है. सेकेंड प्लेस आपको नन अदर दैन हमारे इंडिया का जो मुंबई सिटी है, फाइनेंशियल कैपिटल, वो है. ओके, एक मिनट दोस्तों. चलिए नेक्स्ट देख लेते हैं. रिसेंटली द वर्ल्ड्स ओल्डेस्ट केव पेंटिंग हैज़ बीन डिस्कवर ऑन द इंडोनेशियन आइलैंड ऑफ सुलावासी. इट इज़ अबाउट 45,500 ईयर्स ओल्ड. याद रख लीजिए. अकॉर्डिंग टू द रिपोर्ट रिलीज्ड by the United Nations in January 2021, 18 million Indians are living abroad as a क्या बोलते हैं इसको, migrants, and largest number of Indian expatriates are in UAE. According to the data released by United Nations, China has become the world's top country the foreign direct investment. Before this, US was the top. Last year, China FDI stood at $163 billion. Union Minister of Earth Sciences launched the coastal research vehicle Sagar Anveshika at Chennai Airport. And US President Joe Biden announced the inclusion of Indian origin Sumuna Guha, very very important, as a South Asian Tarun Chawda in the US National Security Council. In the January 2021 fifth meeting of the India and the Japan Act East Forum was held in New Delhi, which was chaired by Indian Foreign Secretary Harshvardhan Shringla. Okay, so till January 2021 we have covered. ये उतना इम्पॉर्टेंट नहीं है दोस्तों जो दिसंबर और नवंबर का अभी हमने देखा. ओके, फिर भी मैं आपके लिए यहाँ पे मेंशन है, रिवाइज कर देता हूँ. Recently, New Zealand has declared a climate emergency in the country. Along with this, it is also set a target to make a public sector carbon neutral by 2025. Okay. So mainly the examiner will ask the questions from the past 1 year. अभी 2022 में जो एग्ज़ाम्स होने वाले हैं, जो भी कॉम्पिटेटिव एग्ज़ाम्स, दे मेनली आस्क द हार्डली 6 months बैक, और मोस्ट क्रिटिकल केस अगर देखें तो 1 year बैक का भी क्वेश्चन पूछ सकते हैं. एंड दिसंबर 2020 इट्स ऑलमोस्ट अभी 2 years हो गए हैं, तो it's not so important, but for knowledge purpose I will tell you, just remember it. Okay, कहीं ना कहीं आपको काम आ जाएगा, because knowledge never waste. Okay, and the first coal fired power plant in Arab Gulf country was set up in Sahi Shoaib, Dubai. It's a total cost of 3.4 billion and generation capacity is 2400 megawatt. The World Economic Forum meeting will be held in Singapore in the year 2021. ये हो गया actually. Okay. And Nepal and China have jointly announced the new height of Mount Everest. The world highest peak is 8,848.86 meters, okay, an increase of 86 centimeters. US President Joe Biden and Vice President Kamala Harris have been voted Times Person of the Year for 2020 by the Times magazine. A virtual summit was held for a political partnership between India and Uzbekistan in which 9 agreements were signed. उतना important नहीं है. A virtual summit was held between India and Bangladesh. Okay, ये भी उतना important नहीं. हल्दीबारी वेस्ट बंगाल और चिल्हाटी रेल लिंक इनाग्रेट हुआ था. ये एक याद रख लीजिए बस. Kylie Jenner has ranked first in the list of highest paid celebrities of the year 2020. The street food hawker culture of Singapore has been included in UNESCO World Heritage. This is important. Okay. Recently, Japan has decided to join Five Eyes intelligence network as a sixth member country. Five Eyes is an intelligence organization of 5 countries जिसमें ऑस्ट्रेलिया, न्यूजीलैंड, कनाडा, ब्रिटेन, अमेरिका है. ओके, नेक्स्ट नवंबर 2020 का भी देख लेते हैं. लगे हाथ ये भी कभी आपको काम आ जाएगा. Indian diplomat Vidisha Maitra has been included in the UN Advisory Committee. Recently, India was elected for the 2 members among the 10 permanent member countries. The United Nations was established in 1945 and headquarters in New York. It's a static question. Australia and India Water Centre was inaugurated during a virtual event to promote water education between India and Australia. Cambridge Dictionary named the word quarantine as a word of the year 2020. And Asia Pacific Economic Corporation Summit was organized virtually. मलेशिया में हुआ था दोस्तों, 2020 की बात है. A mobile hospital was started for kangaroo wildlife in Australia. Okay. Next, 10 आसियान कंट्री और 5 अदर कंट्रीज में मिलकर RCEP एग्रीमेंट को साइन किया है. सो दिसंबर एंड नवंबर 2020 और नॉट सो इम्पॉर्टेंट, जस्ट फॉर नॉलेज पर्सन आई हैव शेड यू, बट टिल जनवरी इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, रिमेंबर. ओके, चलिए नेक्स्ट देख लेते हैं मेजर इकोनॉमिक इवेंट्स. दिस इज ऑल्सो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. ओके, इफ यू टॉक अबाउट सितंबर में क्या क्या हुए थे. In India's GDP growth rate at constant price in the first quarter of the financial year 2021 was 20.1%. The government of India signed, that is $112 million loan agreement with the Asia Development Bank, and government of India signed a $300 million agreement with ADB to improve the rural connectivity in Maharashtra. HDFC Bank has recognized the overall best company in India as a Asian Money 2021 poll. WHO launched India's first Euro green bond power finance corporation. Okay, next August में HDFC Bank launched Green and Sustainable Deposit to tackle the climate change. The money deposited under this it will use for financing green and sustainable housing. Kotak Mahindra Bank has launched artificial intelligence based Neo platform. The object is to facilitate the payment of outstanding loans for the customers. The Union Finance Mission Nirmala Sitharaman has launched Ubharte Sitare Fund, very very important, in Lucknow to promote exports. The fund has been set up by Exim and SEDBI. And who has launched the Small Business Loan Initiative in India? Facebook दोस्तों, याद रख लीजिए. Fourth Indian firm to cross $100 billion is Infosys. Okay. Next July, the Asian Development Bank has projected India's economic growth rate to 10% for the financial year 2022. This is also important. And IMF has projected 9.5% for 22. Asian Development Bank is 10%. Okay. And IMF is 9.5%. According to the data released by Controller General of Accounts in July 2021, how much fiscal deficit of government till June 2021 की बात करें तो 2.74 लाख करोड़. ऑलरेडी हम लोग डिफिसिट में हैं दोस्तों. रेटिंग्स देख लेते हैं. फिच रेटिंग्स 10% दिया है, IMF ने 9.5% दिया है. ओके, केयर रेटिंग एजेंसी ने 8.8 दिया है और एशियन डेवलपमेंट बैंक में 10 दिया है दोस्तों. क्लियर. सो वेयर डिड अमेजॉन लॉन्च इज फर्स्ट डिजिटल हब इन इंडिया टू क्रिएट एन अवेयरनेस. गुजरात, सूरत में लॉन्च किया है. एंड विच कंपनी एक्वायर्ड मुंबई इंटरनेशनल एयरपोर्ट. अदानी ने एक्वायर कर लिया है दोस्तों. चलिए नेक्स्ट देखते हैं जून का महीने के इकोनॉमिक्स इवेंट्स. कोटक महिंद्रा बैंक हैज़ लॉन्च ए मोबाइल ऐप कॉल्ड पे योर कॉन्टैक्ट. Okay, it enables a customer to send or pay money to any contact in any payment mobile. The government of India signed $32 billion loan agreement with the World Bank for the development of health project in Mizoram. SBI has launched a Arogya Healthcare business loan for the healthcare sector. Under this, a loan up to 100 crores will be given to the businessman related to the health categories और 10 साल का टाइम पीरियड दिया जाएगा. According to the data released by National Statistics Office, the Indian economy registered a decline of 7.3% किसमें फाइनेंशियल ईयर डिक्लाइन हुआ है हमको. According to the World Bank, the Indian economy can register a growth of 8.3% और 2022 अभी जो चल रहा है ना, इसमें हमारा कितना प्रेडिक्ट किया उन्होंने 7.5%. Next, Kavach personal loan scheme. SBI has launched this scheme for the customer to meet the medical expenses for COVID-19 treatment. Under this, customer will given a loan up to 5 lakh at 8.5 annual interest. कितना? 8.5. और कितने रोज दिन के लिए? 60 months. Next, we have May 2021. Globally, life insurance of India became the third strongest and 10th most valuable brand. According to the recently released data, Singapore is at the top position in the terms of foreign direct investment. Okay, second is America, and among third states की बात करें तो गुजरात was a top recipient है, not giver, it's a recipient. Small Industry Development Bank of India (SIDBI) has launched 2 loan scheme. एक का नाम है स्वस जो कि हेल्थ सेक्टर के लिए लाया गया था, और दूसरे का नाम है आरोग, जो फॉर ऑर्गेनिक ग्रोथ एंड रिकवरी के लिए। आरबीआई imposed a penalty of 3 crores on ICICI Bank for non-compliance of direction in the matter of transfer of securities. इसीलिए उनको 3 करोड़ का जुर्माना भरना पड़ा। The two countries unveiled a 10-year roadmap to strengthen India-UK bilateral ties. The United Nations projected the Indian economy to grow 10.1% in the calendar year 2022. According to the Migration and Brief report released by World Bank, India has the largest remittance report in the year 2020, and India has the largest remittance recipient also. Okay. चलिए नेक्स्ट देख लेते हैं। इन द मंथ ऑफ अप्रैल SBI Mutual Fund has become the first mutual fund house in India to cross 5 lakh crore average assets under the management mark. ADBI has projected 11% growth rate for Indian economy in financial year, and ICICI Bank launched Merchant Stack, a digital contactless banking platform for shopkeepers. Agriculture exports in India during the financial year 2020-21 registered a growth of 30% as compared to 2019 and 20. Recently, RBI launched a new security acquisition scheme GSAP for the purpose of government securities. Next, we have March 2021. It is also very important. The World Bank has planned a credit guarantee of $100 billion loan for solar rooftop program in India. India has become the 4th country in the world in terms of foreign exchange reserve. Very important. The Reserve Bank of India imposed a monetary of 2 crore on SBI क्योंकि इन्होंने रूल्स रिवॉर्ड ऑफ एम्प्लॉयज़ को वायलेट किया था। फरवरी 2021 देख लेते हैं। 15th फाइनेंस कमीशन प्रेजेंटेड द इंटरिम report to the financial year 2025-26. The report recommended increasing the share of municipality in the total grants to local bodies from 30% to 40% increase करने की बात की है। Financial Literacy Week 2021 was celebrated by RBI from 8 February to 12 February, in which awareness was spread about banking facility. Exim Bank will provide $400 million loan for an ongoing project in Maldives. The total trade between China and India stood at $77.7 billion 2020. The China was India's top trading partner in 20. Okay. So next we have major defense and science and technology events दोस्तों। September 2021 देख लेते हैं। DRDO सक्सेसफुली टेस्ट फायर द अपडेटेड वर्जन ऑफ आकाश सरफेस टू सरफेस रेज मिसाइल। इसका जो नाम है वो आकाश प्राइम रखा गया दोस्तों। चंदीपुर उड़ीसा से इसको टेस्ट किया गया है। Next, naval exercise between India and Algeria was conducted off coast of Algeria. Indian ship INS Tabar and Algerian ship Izader has participated. Union Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology, in collaboration with IIT Roorkee and IIT Bangalore, has developed the India's first computer simulator toolkit. इसका नाम क्या है? QSIM, याद रख लीजिए। चलिए नेक्स्ट देख लेते हैं। रिसेंटली चाइना सक्सेसफुली लॉन्च अ न्यू अर्थ ऑब्जर्वेशन सैटेलाइट GOAFIN 502 via Long March 4C rocket. India's first nuclear missile tracking ship INS Dhruv was built by Hindustan Shipyard Limited in collaboration with DRDO and NTRO दोस्तों। Recently, scientists have discovered the northernmost island of the earth off coast of Greenland, which will be named Khokhertak Avanarlek. Okay, वो बहुत ही डिफिकल्ट नेम है, Khokhertak Avanarlek। ये क्या है एक्चुअली? ये सब नॉर्दर्न मोस्ट आइलैंड ऑफ अर्थ है दोस्तों, जो कि ग्रीनलैंड के पास में आपको मिलेगा। रिसेंटली एयर डिफेंस मिसाइल सिस्टम वाज हैंडेड ओवर टू इंडियन एयरफोर्स। इट इज़ जॉइंटली डेवलप्ड बाय DRDO एंड इजराइल एरोस्पेस इंडस्ट्री। अगस्त 2021 देख लेते हैं। इंडिया हैज साइंड एन एग्रीमेंट विद एन अमेरिका फॉर द परचेस ऑफ एंटी शिप मिसाइल दैट इज हार्पून। Okay, and the European Space Agency has launched a world first commercial reusable satellite, Eutelsat Quantum. It was launched from the French Guiana by Ariane 5 rocket. India's first indigenous built aircraft carrier INS Vikrant was test fired off the coast of Cochin. ISRO launched the Earth observation satellite EOS-03 from Satish Dhawan Space Center, but unfortunately it was unsuccessful. On 12th August 2021, Pakistan successfully test fired a surface-to-surface nuclear capable ballistic missile Ghaznavi दोस्तों, याद रख लीजिए। DRDO developed advanced shaft technology for the safety of fighter aircraft of the Indian Air Force. The technology will protect the aircraft from radar threat of enemy countries. Recently, the emergency use of Zycov-D, the world's first and India's indigenous developed DNA-based vaccine, was approved. The vaccine is manufactured by Indian company Zydus Cadila. Defense Minister Rajnath Singh commissioned a Coast Guard ship Vigraha and offshore patrol vessel in Chennai. The ship is indigenously built by Larsen Turbo Ship Limited. International Military Technical Forum Army 2021 was organized in Moscow, Russia. In this, India has also displayed indigenously made fighter aircraft दोस्तों। Recently, US astronomers have discovered the fastest orbiting asteroid ever in the solar system, which was named as 2021 PH27. It completed one revolution in 113 days. Okay. चलिए नेक्स्ट जुलाई देख लेते हैं. हैदराबाद बेस्ड ग्रीन रोबोटिक्स हैज डेवलप इंडियाज फर्स्ट इंडिजिनस ड्रोन डिफेंस डूम नेम्ड इंद्राजल. वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, इंद्राजल. It will protect against air threats in an area of 1000 to 2000 square kilometers. Recently, Russia successfully tested the world's most advanced anti-missile technology S-500 air defense system. And recently, China unveiled the world's fastest running maglev train. इसकी स्पीड आपको 600 किलोमीटर पर आवर है दोस्तों. Okay. For the first time, astronomers found evidence of water vapor in the atmosphere. Okay, and Jupiter satellite Ganymede. This evidence was obtained by Hubble Space Telescope, which has been developed by NASA and European Space Agency. Russia's space agency Roscosmos has launched its largest space laboratory named Naukha है दोस्तों, याद रख लीजिए, Naukha, very important. Indian origin Shirisha Bandla became the third woman to fly into the space after Kalpana Chawla and Sunita Williams. British billionaire Richard Branson भी गए थे with a 6-member crew on Virgin Galactic rocket under the Unity 22 mission. Santosh George Kulangara from the Kerala became the first Indian tourist to fly via Virgin Galactic. China will build the world's first clean commercial nuclear reactor in which thorium will be used instead of uranium दोस्तों. This would be the first nuclear reactor that would require water for cooling. The US Space Agency NASA has tied with SpaceX for Europa Clipper mission. और ये मिशन कब लॉन्च होने वाला है? 2024 में. देन इट इज़ वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर द अपकमिंग एग्जामिनेशन. यूरोपा क्लिपर के नासा ने स्पेसएक्स के साथ टाई अप करके बनाया है. Next, Matikere Primary School located in Malleshwaram, Karnataka will become the first school in the country to launch the satellite, and 75 satellites will be prepared for the launch with the help of the school students. Union Minister Nitin Gadkari inaugurated India's first Khadi natural paint made from cow dung in Jaipur. This will give boost to the rural industries as well as create employment opportunities. Kuwait has launched first artificial Earth satellite. क्या नाम है इसका? Qamar Al Kuwait by Falcon 9, which is a nano satellite. Its weight is only 1 kg. Scientists in England have created artificial ears and noses through 3D printing that can be used in organ transplantation. China began the construction of world's first commercial modular small reactor Linglong 1 from Changjiang nuclear power plant in Hainan province. इसकी कैपेसिटी 125 मेगावाट है दोस्तों. नेक्स्ट देख लेते हैं. Defense Research that is DRDO successfully flight tested a new generation of nuclear capability ballistic missile mission Agni P दोस्तों. DRDO successfully test-fired rocket Pinaka from Chandipur in Odisha, and Indian Navy decommissioned the indigenous hydrographic survey ship INS Sadhyak after serving the nation for 40 years. India signed an agreement with the US for the purpose of 3 multi-role helicopters MH-60 Romeo for its Navy. Recently, China successfully launched a meteorological satellite that is Penguin 4B. The US Space Agency NASA has also announced 2 robotic missions Da Vinci and Veritas दोस्तों. India's first indigenous temperature data logger AmbiTag has been developed by IIT Ropar. It can record temperature of surroundings up to 90 days. The European Space Agency has announced to send its first orbiter Envision, very important, to the planet Vision. और ये कब लॉन्च करने वाले हैं? 2030 में. कौन है ये? यूरोपियन स्पेस एजेंसी. नेक्स्ट, इंडिया एंड ब्रिटेन जॉइंटली डेवलप ए सेंसर दैट कैन डिटेक्ट द कोरोना वायरस इन द सीवेज वाटर ऑल्सो. किसने? इंडिया एंड ब्रिटेन ने. May 2021, MAC 1407 is a new insect-resistant soybean variety developed by scientists of Agarkar Research Institute in collaboration with ICAR. And Mayflower 400 is the world's first completely autonomous ship दोस्तों. The Mayflower 400 became the world's first unmanned ship to cross the Atlantic Ocean. DRDO, in collaboration with Dr. Reddy, has developed an anti-COVID-19 drug that is 2-deoxy-2-glucose with a DCGI. ISRO Vikram Sarabhai Space Center has developed 3 different types of ventilators. इसका नाम है प्रणा वायु स्वस्थ. प्रणा विल डिलीवर रेस्पिरेटरी गैस टू द पेशेंट. वायु लो कॉस्ट वेंटिलेटर है. स्वस्थ विल वर्क विदाउट इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. नेक्स्ट, चाइना बिकम द फर्स्ट कंट्री इन द वर्ल्ड टू बैन सिंथेटिक दैट इज कैनाबाइड्स. चाइना सक्सेसफुली लैंडेड द फर्स्ट मार्स रोवर जुरोंग ऑन मार्स फ्रॉम द स्पेस क्राफ्ट त्वाइंग 1 दोस्तों. गूगल क्लाउड SpaceX signed an agreement to provide internet service through Starlink satellite. ईरान हैज़ इंडिजिनियसली डेवलप इट्स न्यू मोस्ट पावरफुल सुपर कंप्यूटर. क्या नाम है इसका? सिमॉर्ग है दोस्तों, याद लीजिए, सिमॉर्ग. चाइना सक्सेसफुली लॉन्च ए न्यू ओशन एनवायरनमेंट मॉनिटरिंग सैटेलाइट हियांग 2D. इंडिया नेवी हैज़ decommissioned its first destroyer ship INS Rajput, and National Security Advisor Ajit Doval inducted a Coast Guard ship Sajak into the Navy. The US Space Agency NASA has announced to send its first mobile robot to the moon by 2023 under Mission Artemis. The COVID-19 antibody detection kit named DIPCO-1 was recently developed by the research laboratory of DRDO. A huge iceberg has broken off from the continent of Antarctica. It has been named as A76. Very, very important. Remember this name, A76. And ICMR, Indian Council of Medical Research, has proved the rapid antigen test kit named Coviself to test COVID-19 at home दोस्तों. नेक्स्ट अप्रैल 2021 की बात करें, शांति ओग्रेशना 2021 द मल्टीनेशनल मिलिट्री एक्सरसाइज है दोस्तों, बांग्लादेश में हुआ था, इन विच इंडिया इज ऑल्सो पार्टिसिपेटेड. एंड यूनियन एजुकेशन मिनिस्टर रमेश पोखरियाल लॉन्च द वर्ल्ड फर्स्ट माइक्रो सेंसर बेस्ड एक्सप्लोजिव ट्रेस डिटेक्टर कॉल्ड नैनो स्निफर. वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, नैनो स्निफर. द गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया हैंडेड ओवर 100 करोड़ पेट्रोल शिप PS जोरास्टर टू सिचिलिस. याद रख लीजिए, किससे? सिचिलिस. नेक्स्ट, रशिया वैक्सीन स्पुटनिक वी वॉज अप्रूव फॉर द इमरजेंसी यूज़ इन इंडिया आफ्टर कोविशील्ड एंड कोवैक्सीन. फिर बाद में ऐसी भी न्यूज़ निकल कर आई, क्योंकि स्पुटनिक वी जो लॉन्च किया गया था वो डॉक्टर रेड्डी लैबोरेटरी की कोलैबोरेशन में लॉन्च किया था, और कई उसके बाद इन्होंने कैंसिल कर दिया, और कई सारे जो है स्टॉक बहुत हो चुका था. एंड इसरो हैज टाइड अप विद द फ्रेंच स्पेस एजेंसी CNS फॉर द फर्स्ट मैन स्पेस मिशन गगनयान. दोस्तों याद रख लीजिए, द US स्पेस एजेंसी नासा हैज कॉन्ट्रैक्टेड एलन मस्क कंपनी SpaceX फॉर इट्स अर्थमिस मिशन. एंड नासा ने SpaceX के साथ मिलकर यूरोपा क्लिपर भी बनाने की बात की है, राइट. इंक्लूडिंग ए वुमेन विल बी सेंट टू द मून साउथ पोल बाय 2024. चलिए देखिए, अकॉर्डिंग टू द रिसेंटली रिलीज डेटा बाय स्टॉकहोम इंटरनेशनल पीस रिसर्च इंस्टीट्यूट, इंडिया रिमाइंस एट द थर्ड प्लेस इन द टर्म्स ऑफ मिलिट्री एक्सपेंडिचर इन द वर्ल्ड. डिफेंडर यूरोप 21 NATO conducts joint military exercise with US and other countries in Albania. India successfully test fired the first Python air-to-air missile. DRDO has included this indigenous light combat aircraft in weapons of Tejas. NASA rover Perseverance has succeeded in purifying CO2 from Martian atmosphere and converting into oxygen. The UK's Met Office has tied up Microsoft to build the world's most powerful supercomputer. The computer will commission by 2022, which will provide climate and meteorological warnings. Aditya L1 Support Cell Service Center was established at Aryabhatta Research Institute in Uttarakhand to analyze scientific data. The फर्स्ट सोलर मिशन दोस्तों याद रख लीजिए. एस्ट्रोनॉमर्स हैव डिस्कवर्ड द क्लोजेस्ट एंड स्मॉलेस्ट एवर ब्लैक होल इन यूनिवर्स विच हैज बीन नेम्ड एज यूनिकॉर्न. याद रख लीजिए. द हेलीकॉप्टर इंजेन्यूनिटी सेंट टू मार्स बाय द US स्पेस एजेंसी NASA मेड ए सक्सेसफुल फ्लाइट. इट वॉज सेंट बाय द NASA थ्रू परसेवरेंस रोवर इन जुलाई 2020. ओके, फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम द एमिशन ऑफ एक्सरेस वॉज डिस्कवर्ड ऑन यूरेनस में एक्सरेस पाए गए हैं दोस्तों. मार्स देख लेते हैं. रशिया सक्सेसफुली लॉन्च द फर्स्ट सैटेलाइट अर्तिका यम. कौन सा? Artika Yam to monitor the climate of Arctic on 28 February. The Indian Navy launched its third Scorpion submarine INS Karanj into the Navy. याद रख लीजिए. पहले हमारे पास INS कलवरी था, INS कांदेरी था दोस्तों. INS करांज को साइलेंट किलर भी कहा जाता है, और मुंबई डॉकयार्ड में इसको लाया गया था. इसरो एंड नासा हैव जॉइंटली कंप्लीटेड द डेवलपमेंट ऑफ अर्थ ऑब्जर्वेशन सैटेलाइट निसार, और ये 2022 में लॉन्च करने वाले हैं. याद रख लीजिए, ये भी न्यूज़ बनेगी आपको इस साल. ओके, इट्स अ फर्स्ट डुअल रेडार सैटेलाइट विद इसरो एंड हैज़ डेवलप्ड S band and NASA has developed aperture radar. So when it is launched, then definitely it became a news. China and Russia signed an agreement with each other to establish lunar space station. Okay, it will install in the moon's orbit, whose purpose is to promote research and exploration of outer space. Next, जापान देख लेते हैं. जापान साइंटिफिक इंस्टीट्यूट has developed the world's most powerful supercomputer, that is Fugaku. Next, PUBG Anti-Terror 2021 exercise. The decision is to conduct joint exercise PUBG Anti-Terror 2021 was announced during 36th meeting of Regional Anti-Terrorist Structure Council, which held in Tashkent. इसको हम RATS भी कहते हैं, याद रख लीजिए. On 26 March 2021, Pakistan successfully test fired the surface-to-surface ballistic missile Shaheen. याद रख लीजिए. और इनकी और एक मिसाइल है, उसका नाम बाबर है दोस्तों, याद रख लीजिए. And Russia successfully launched 38 satellites from 18 countries. Challenge 1 is the first satellite built in Tunisia, was also there. The Philippines signed an agreement with India for the purchase of BrahMos missile. Okay, BrahMos missile India और रशिया ने मिलकर बनाया था, and we are also exporting to the other countries. That is Philippines is the first customer. Okay, and February 2021 की बात करें, the central government has signed a deal worth 48,000 crore for the purchase of 80 Tejas a fighter aircraft from Hindustan Aeronautics Limited. Pakistan has test fired a surface-to-surface ballistic missile Ghaznavi on 3rd February 2021 with strike range of 290 kilometers. During Aero India 2021, India and Israel decided to work together on anti-torpedo defense system, that is SHADE दोस्तों. According to India Energy Outlook 2021 report released by International Energy Agency, India will become the world's third largest energy consumer after China and US by 2030. The US spacecraft Hope Mars probe entered the Martian orbit on February 10. The United Arab Emirates became the 5th country in the world, okay, and the first Arab country to send spacecraft into Mars orbit. Pakistan successfully test fired the surface to surface missile. जैसे मैंने कहा ना बाबर, वो भी एक मिसाइल ही है, surface to surface है ये. And the draft Human in Space Policy 2021 was unveiled by ISRO in February 2021. A naval exercise, Iran-Russia Maritime Security Bill 2021, was held in Indian Ocean, okay, in which India has also participated. ISRO launched Amazonia 1 and 18 other satellites in Brazil by PSLV-51 from Satish Dhawan Space Center in Sriharikota. This was the first dedicated commercial mission of New Space India Limited, जो कि Government of India की company है. And Prime Minister Narendra Modi picture has been made in an satellite, and electronic copy of Bhagavad Gita had also been sent along with this. Okay. चलिए नेक्स्ट देख लेते हैं. India's famous scientist Sonam Wangchuk has invented solar heated tent for the use of Indian Army. Okay. Lucknow Metro became India's first metro service to sanitize metro coaches with ultraviolet rays. Reliance Industry Limited has received the world's first consignment of carbon neutral oil from the Oxy Low Carbon Ventures. South Korea President Moon Jae-in has approved the plans to set up a world largest wind power plant by 2030. Next, the last month, that is January 2021, the news related to the defense and technology. The DCGI, that is Drugs Control General of India, has approved the emergency use of Covishield and Covaxin. आप सभी लोग जानते हैं, अभी हम सारे लोग वही वैक्सीन्स लगा रहे हैं, राइट. On 5th January 2021, 40th Indian Scientific Expedition to Antarctica was launched from Marmagua Port, गोवा से लॉन्च किया गया था. The chartered ice class vessel MV Vasily Golvolin has been selected for this expedition, and it will reach Antarctica in 30 days. Japan has announced the launch of world first wooden space satellite by 2023. वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट दोस्तों, 2023 तक ये लॉन्च करने वाले हैं ताकि स्पेस वेस्ट को डील कर पाए. एंड इंडिया एंड इसराइल जॉइंटली टेस्ट फायर सरफेस टू एयर मिसाइल, दैट इज MRSM, याद रख लीजिए, मीडियम रेंज सरफेस टू एयर मिसाइल. किसने टेस्ट किया? इंडिया एंड इसराइल. पाकिस्तान आर्मी सक्सेसफुली टेस्ट फॉर इंडिजिनस डेवलप मल्टी गाइडेड रॉकेट सिस्टम, जिसका नाम है फतह-1, याद रख लीजिए, फतह-1. ओके. नेक्स्ट, Major Anup Mishra of the Indian Army has developed the world's first universal bulletproof jacket named Shakti. Private space company SpaceX has sent 143 satellites into space on 24 January with a single rocket. इन्होंने हमारा रिकॉर्ड तोड़ दिया. हम लोगों ने 104 भेजा था 2017 में, अभी SpaceX ने ब्रेक कर दिया दोस्तों. ऑपरेशन सरधवा, बॉर्डर सिक्योरिटी फोर्स लॉन्च ए वेस्टर्न इंटरनेशनल बॉर्डर ऑफ राजस्थान. इट पर्पज इज टू प्रिवेंट इंसिडेंट्स ऑफ इनफिल्ट्रेशन. घूसपेटियाँ रोकने के लिए इस ऑपरेशन सरधवा को निकाला गया था दोस्तों. Okay, and DRDO successfully launched the indigenously developed smart anti-airfield weapons SAW from Odisha coast to HAK-1 aircraft from Hindustan Aeronautics Limited. India signed an agreement with Russia for the purpose of 21 MiG-29s and 12 Sukhoi 30 MKS. DRDO has assigned motorbike ambulance service Rakshita to CRPF, and this ambulance will help in emergency health service for the Indian security forces. Okay. So finally, this is the end of the one-liner दोस्तों. Okay. I hope कि आपको अच्छा लगा होगा, और नेक्स्ट जो है हम कंटिन्यू करेंगे रिगार्डिंग टू द MCQs, वॉट आर द इम्पॉर्टेंट MCQs. ओके, सो व्हाट आई विल डू, आई विल upload a separate videos. Those who want to see only one liners, you can go through it. Those who want to see for MCQs, you can also go through it. Okay, and complete magazine also, one marathon video will be uploaded. Okay, तो चलिए मिलता हूँ मैं आपको अगले लेक्चर के साथ कुछ इंटरेस्टिंग टॉपिक के साथ. तब तक के लिए धन्यवाद दोस्तों.